Thanks everyone for joining. Welcome to Tungabhadra Networks. This is a networking internship demo. So where we will provide the job opportunities to the each and everyone. Okay. Yeah. So my name is Ramesh. So I have total, 11 years of experience in networking domain. So I worked in various product-based companies called Cisco, Nokia, Juniper, Amazon. Okay, and I worked in a TAC environment also. TAC role is the highest role in networking domain. Okay, and along with me, my colleague Karthik is also there. He has 7+ years of experience in networking domain. He's working in Palo Alto as a TAC engineer. Okay, so here we teach you Cisco, Juniper, Palo Alto courses. Okay, what are these actually? Cisco, Juniper, Palo Alto. Okay, these are the companies. So these are the companies, product-based companies, where they manufacture all the devices. Okay, like we have a mobile manufacturers, right? Like Apple and OnePlus, like that. Same way, we have a mobile routers and switches manufacturers, Cisco and Juniper and Palo Alto. What is these routers and switches? Currently, you are accessing internet, right? Everyone is accessing internet via Airtel or Geo or broadband. Behind the internet, there is a hardware devices. Those hardware devices are manufactured by these companies. There are a lot of companies, and these three are top. Okay. Now let's discuss more about it. Let's discuss about my company first. And I'm saying this is not an institute. Okay. So I'm telling you this is not an institute. If it is an institute, you can see something Institute of Technology, something. It's a purely networking company. Okay. Where I teach everything practically. Okay. So this is a industrial training. Whatever we are learning a protocols, right? Each and every small concept, I will give you a real time project for that. It means whatever I implemented in real time, right, during my work experience, during this 11 years of experience, whatever the protocols I implemented in real time, same thing I'm showing here. It means you are learning a real time stuff, not a theoretical stuff. Exactly what we configured, what we implemented, right? Same thing I will show you here. Okay, we have a real networking devices at our Kukatpalli branch office. I would recommend freshers, please visit office, or please take a PG near office, and you can, you know you can learn more practically. If you see, right, uh, here it is. This is my YouTube channel, or you can say Instagram is there. This is my office, these are my engineers. You can see at the back end, right, these all are networking devices here. You can see these all are networking devices. You can practice on live devices. Okay, you can practice on these live devices. Okay, generally people who are already working in networking domain, they didn't even get a opportunity to work on those devices. They will give you only read access, or they didn't even look into it, some people. Okay, here it's not like that. Those devices are, carrying huge data and lakhs of rupees. Its cost is lakhs of rupees. So that's why they don't allow you to do changes on those devices. But here it is not like that. We have devices, that devices belongs to you. Those are your devices. You can log in, you can practice, do whatever you want to do, and don't break it. Okay, just practice it. Okay, so yeah, that's why it's an industrial training. Okay, yeah. Now let's understand this technology. Okay, so what is this technology? It's an internet. So everyone is using internet, right? That's why you join in this Google Meet. You're sitting at your remote location, I'm somewhere else. Everyone now join in meeting through internet. Without internet, can we survive nowadays? Please tell me. Without internet, is it possible to see news, cricket
No,
No,
matches?
sir.
Nothing, right? So now you tell me what is the.
yes,
So that's why there is a huge demand in this networking role. Okay, huge demand for software engineers. Now there is not such a no job openings because AI is taking care of it. AI is replacing software engineers. Okay, artificial intelligence, chat GPT, they are generative AI. There are a lot of stuff now. So code, it is writing coding, it is testing it, it is deploying it also. So that's why you can see lot of layoffs only for software engineers, not for network engineers. Even though if AI need to work right, the AI servers are in data center. Those servers require internet. Without us, even AI also cannot work. Understand? So let's understand. You'll come to know if you know how exactly internet works. You know everyone how internet works. So step by step, let's discuss. Okay. So tell me this way. What are the ways we can access the internet? Simply take a broadband connection. So this is a converter, right? You will see this green color cable is a fiber cable. Fiber cable. What is fiber cable? I'll show you in next slide. So this is the input connection which is giving by your broadband. You, if you are staying in Hyderabad, right, you have a Act Fiber, Hathway, Beam. There are a lot of things. Or else Geo Fiber or Airtel Fiber, right? They will give an input connection here. This is a Wi-Fi router, and through Wi-Fi you can access internet, or the LAN cables. You can connect it and you can access it. So this is the real picture. This is a high-level image. Okay. This is one way. Through broadband you can access internet. Another way is, so there is a phone. In your phone you have an antenna, right? And is also a tower. So through wireless you will get an internet connection. However, from the tower, right, you will see one box at the bottom of the tower. That is called, there you will see what? Routers and switches. So everything is connected through cables. So but however, from your tower to your location it is wireless. So this is one way. Can anyone please tell me, is there any other way we can access the internet other than these two scenarios? Can anyone?
Satellite.
Very good, ma.
Satellite, sir.
Satellite. So who invented that? Elon Musk, right? So now it want to they want to implement in India also, but that satellite connection monthly you need to pay for 7,000 rupees because it is more reliable, more accuracy. No one want to pay that much of amount. Okay, so through satellite, you know how the DTH connections works, right? Your TV, everyone is watching TV, right? So your DTH same way. You'll have some antenna top of your home. You'll get a connection here. From there, you'll get a connection from modem. From here, you'll access the internet through Wi-Fi or LAN cable. Okay. So these are the three ways you can access the internet. But what is there behind the internet? Let's see. So what exactly will happen? Everyone is using Instagram, right? Instagram or YouTube nowadays, right? Yes or no? You guys are using Instagram and YouTube, right? Every day, at least. Whatever it is, you can open a Google Chrome. At least you can use WhatsApp also, right? Either WhatsApp or Instagram, YouTube. So that WhatsApp or Instagram, YouTube servers are located in data centers. Suppose this is an Instagram server here, this is a YouTube server here. Just with diagram I'm explaining. Okay. So you are sitting at your home at your laptop. You uploaded some photo. You have taken some selfie and uploading that photo in Instagram application. So you have downloaded your Instagram application on your mobile phone, right? So just you uploading one photo. So what will happen once you upload that photo? What exactly is the process behind it? So once you click on upload the photo will be the having some data, right? It's a data, right? The size of the photo will be minimum 4 MB nowadays with smartphones, or 1 MB, 2 MB, some size, right? The photo is having some size, right? 4 MB. The photo is consist of 4 MB of data, so that you upload it. So once you upload it, right, you're getting an internet connection on Wi-Fi, right? The data will go here, the 4 MB data. From modem it will go. So now internet service provider. So suppose you have taken a Airtel, right? Airtel broadband. So it will go to the Airtel router. From your location to the Instagram server. Suppose this Instagram server is located in Hyderabad. Just consider it. Not only Hyderabad, it is a different country also. Okay. Instagram servers are located in UK or somewhere else, US or somewhere else. In India also we have Instagram server, it is Hyderabad. Just consider I am sitting in Karnool. So from Karnool to Hyderabad, how long it is? It's a 220 kilometers, right? So we need to connect a cables. So the data center is located here. This data center also will take a internet connection from Airtel. Here also Airtel is there. So here also Airtel is there. Now the thing is, so from your service provider from Karnool to Hyderabad, there are 220 kilometers, right? So they will lay a cable, Airtel. and at every 30 to 40 kilometers you will see this router. What do you mean by router? Whatever the router you are seeing at your home is, right, that router cost is just 1500 to 2000 rupees. That's it. But whatever we real time we see, this router's cost is minimum 2 to 3 lakh rupees. Minimum 2 to 3 lakh rupees the router cost. So every 30 to 40 kilometers they will install a router to send a signals. Okay, this fiber optical cable is there, right? The fiber optical cable, you can see lot of black color cables on the poles. Those are fiber optical cables. At your home you can see in yellow color. Those are fiber optical cables. In that fiber optical cable, the data will travel through light, laser. What is the light speed? What is the light speed? 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So we can access the data with that speed. We can download the data with that speed. 10 years back we have only 3G. So 90s kid, if you want to download any video, you have to go outside and hold the phone like this and to get a proper signal, and it will take minimum 1 hour to download 10 MB of data, right? Nowadays, 1 GB of movie it is downloading within minutes, right? Because the hardware, the companies are developing the hardware to accept that much of speed. Still, we did not using 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second speed. So imagine after 10 years, it's like milliseconds you can download it. Already China and other countries are developing huge hardware to access the internet at very high speed, 100 gig also. Within seconds you can access the data. Okay. So this optical fiber cable will send and receive the data through light. So that light can travel up to 30 to 40 kilometers. That's why they're installing the routers here. Okay, router we have some devices called SFPs that will generate a power. So I don't want to do deep dive. Just understand, from your home to the data center, right? Instagram server, there are multiple routers. At every 30 kilometers they use routers. I will show you how exactly the routers are looks like. So the data travel from here to here, here to here, and here to here. So the finally the it will store all your whatever you are uploading, the photos and videos, everything will store in server. Okay, now I want to show you the real images. Okay, so try to understand here. Every day you are using internet, right? Instagram or YouTube, whatever you are uploading the data, photos, it is traveling through internet at the back end. It is storing in your server, Instagram server. So now you can see, right, the servers are looks like this. So this is a server, you can see, right? Can anyone please tell me what is this? Have you seen this?
Router.
No, it's a hard disk, right? Hard disk. This is a disk, 1 TB of hard disk memory. Like in your mobile phone, you have a memory, right? 128 GB memory, and your computer, you will have a hard disk, right? 1 TB of memory. Like that, it is a 100 TB of hard disk, you can say. So there are lakhs of lakhs of people are using Instagram. They're uploading huge data every day, right? All the data is storing here. All the data is storing here. Okay, so these are the storage servers. See how many hard disks you can see here. This server is the server capacity is more than 1 petabyte. It means 1000 TB. Okay, so these all are hard disks. Okay, now you can see, right, these are the data. This is a data center. In this is the Instagram data center, and you will see these are all our racks. You have seen the racks, right? This is a rack you can see in real time. In our office we have a rack, right? Okay, so this is a backside, you
In
can see
JNS3.
backside, you can see rack right here. This is a medium rack, but in data center you will see a very big rack. See, these are the very big racks. In that racks you will see all the servers. These servers all are Instagram storage servers only. Okay, whatever you are uploading every day, right, photos, videos, all are storing here. This data center are also connecting with internet. That's how you are accessing the Instagram. Okay, yeah. Now, okay, 1 second. Yeah, now if you see, right, One second. Yeah. So this is a Google data center. Are you seeing right? See how big it is. Google data center. Are you seeing it? Google data center. This is a Google data center. If you see right, all these are servers. Okay. Bunch of racks. All these are servers. If you see right, all these servers are connected to the routers and switches. Okay. Are you seeing here? It's a top of rack. One router is there here. So who will maintain all these router and switches? We are the network engineers. After completion of this course, right, you will maintain all these devices. These are the application servers. Lot of servers are there right here. All these servers are connected to these networking devices. Okay. Who will maintain and manage this networking device? We are. So network engineers. After completion of this course, you are able to work on all these devices. Not all these devices. You will. There are a lot of protocols we need to configure inside it. Okay. We are controlling it. Okay. Just understand this is a high level overview. So these are servers. So these servers are maintained by server engineers, like who are is learning Linux and server engineers as well as application engineers. Okay. Suppose my website is there www.tungabhadranetworks.in. It's a application. That application I have installed in this server. That's why you guys are able to access Tungabhadra Networks website. Okay. Yeah. It's just a overview. Now this is the data centers. Whatever you are uploading the data, right? It is uploading in internet. Now these data centers are located in different continents, different locations. Texas, Ireland, India, different Australia, also Sydney. Lot of data centers we have. Okay. Now you see right how exactly internet works. One more time I'm asking something. Uh, in recently, right, T20 World Cup held in USA, right? We are watching on live. Border Gavaskar Trophy cricket, right? It is happening on Australia. So whatever it is happening entire in this world, right? We are watching on live how it is happening, because each and every country is connected through cables. Okay, each and every country. So India, Australia, other all countries are connected to each other through cables under ocean, through ocean. Okay, can you see now how exactly they're connected? See, these are cables, these are fiber cables. So from country to country through ocean, they connected with cables. That's how we are getting the internet access. That's how we are watching all the things on live. Okay. If you see right, these are the cores. It made with glasses. The data is traveling this cores. So right, if you studied in intermediate, right, physics, there is a fiber optical cable, core and cladding. In BTech also you will see fiber optical communication. There is a subject. You will see core and cladding. Core in the sense here, cladding in the sense these are the things to protect from shark bites. So under ocean you will see the big fishes, right? They can bite this fiber, right? It can get damaged. In case if it is get damaged, it is very hard to identify where exactly it is get damaged and replace the cable, right? So to protect the cable from the shark bites, they made with good steel here. See, this is a steel. They're protecting your cores. Okay, yeah, with steel and all. So this is a fiber optical cable. See how big it is, right? So they use special ships to lay the fiber between countries to countries. Guys, everyone understanding what I'm saying? Everyone is an
Yes, yes.
right? Uh,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
Yes, sir.
yeah. Now,
Yes.
so can we check India where exactly it is connected? Can we check India? India is also connected with different countries, right? Let's see where exactly India is connected. See, this is India, right? In India, it is connected at 5 locations. One is Mumbai, one is Chennai, one is Kochi, one is Tuticorin, and one is Trivandrum. So Mumbai to other countries here, Gulf countries are there, right? Ethiopia, Yemen, Oman, and Kochi to other countries like uh, like Maldives are there right here, Trivandrum, right? And also Chennai to Malaysia, Thailand, and all. Tuticorin here, Tuticorin to Sri Lanka. So that's how it is connected. So through under ocean cable, see other countries also, South Korea, you can Japan, Taiwan, Malaysia, see each and every country is connected to each other, even Bangladesh also, right? So India is connected at 5 locations. This is called Internet Exchange Points. What is that? IXP, Internet Exchange Points. You know, I'll give you an example. So the general store person, he will buy a vegetables at supermarket, right? Vegetable market in bulk way. He can buy a hundred kilo tomatoes only for 100 rupees in supermarket. Okay, but he can resell that in general stores per kg to 5 rupees or 10 rupees, right? He can end the amount. Same way, these are the internet exchange points. We have a lot of service providers in India, broadband services, right? Whatever the broadband services you are seeing, Hathway, Beam, BSNL or Airtel, whatever it is, they are purchasing the bandwidth from this Mumbai, this IXPs. So these IXPs we call Tier 1 ISPs. Okay, so they will purchase from here and they will give a internet to us. Okay, so it's like that only. Okay, they're purchasing from Airtel. Local broadband connections also, they're purchasing from Airtel and Geo. There are a lot of service providers in India: Tata Communications, Geo, Airtel, Sifi Technologies. These are the Tier 1, and Entity Data, all are Tier 1 ISPs. From there you will see the local ISPs broadbands. In Karnool also we have a DVR broadband. They are purchasing a input from Airtel or Geo. Okay. In Hyderabad also there are a lot of local broadbands, right? Hathway, Beam, Act. They will purchase from this Geo and Airtel. Okay. So now there is a question here. If you remember, in the year of 2016, Ambani, he gave free internet services for 2 years. Why? You know what? Because he has his own cable. He laid his own cable through ocean. He invested so much of rupees. He invested his own cable from India to other countries and entire in India. In India, right? From in India, Mumbai to each and every state, in each and every state to each and every district, through underground, he already laid the cable to each and every state, from state to each and every district, from district to each and every mandal to village. Wherever you go, the cable is already laid through underground. Okay, so somewhere only at the end, only villages only, you will see the cable on the current poles. But if you see the mobile tower, right, at the mobile tower you will see one box, bottom of the mobile tower, you will see the ground, right, ground surface. You will see one box. In that box you will see the routers and switches. Everything is connected through through underground. Okay, all the towers, suppose we are in Hyderabad, we have a lot of Airtel towers. All the towers are connected to each other through underground. Okay, yeah. So try to understand, everything is connected. So he has his own cable, that's why he gave free services. Then after that he started hiking prices. That is a strategy. Now he is laying his own cable from Chennai to Malaysia. He want to extend his Geo services to Malaysia and other countries also. It's still going on. Even Tata also. Tata is the biggest service provider. Tata Communications. Okay. So this is how we get the internet. Now you got you got an idea, right? How exactly internet works. Each and every country connected each other. So country internal also, they will lay the cables, and through uh, you know through broadband connections you will get the internet. Okay, now what is a network engineer role here? So these are the devices we are using. So these devices we call WDM devices, big devices, optical devices. See, so Mumbai to Chennai we have 1,000 kilometers. Just consider we have 1,000 kilometers, but the signal, the fiber, right, whatever the signal is going through this fiber, it cannot travel up to 1,000. It can travel up to 100 kilometers only. So to boost that signal, they use these WDM devices. Okay, we have a dedicated sorry, we have a dedicated engineers who can work on these WDM devices, optical devices. Okay, so now how many devices we need? 10 devices to boost the signal from Mumbai to Chennai. Like that, from country to country, you have WDM devices. There are a lot of things. Okay, now I told you right earlier. from your home to the data center, at every 30 to 40 kilometers, they will install a router. What is the router you see? These are the routers. Okay. You can see, right? This is a router. It's not a home router. It's a real router, Cisco. Who manufacture these routers? Cisco. Cisco is the company who manufactures these routers. Not only Cisco, we have a Juniper, we have a lot of vendors, Arista and all. Okay. You can see, right? This is what it is. It's a router. Its cost is minimum 3 lakh rupees, 2 to 3 lakh rupees. So whatever the router you are using at your home, it will give you internet connection up to 250 members. But this will give you minimum 10 lakh people. Okay. This router will give you internet connection to minimum 10 lakhs people. Okay. So you know what? This is also a router. How big it is, this cost is 1 crore rupees. So freshers or people who are having minimum 2 years of experience, they do not get access to log in these devices because millions of dollars transactions is going through these devices. Okay, so once you completion of this course, right, they will give you access. Once you completion of this course, you are able to work on all these devices. In these devices, you are going to configure a routing protocol. So people may think, hey, it's a hardware. No, it's not a hardware. But even software engineers also, they have a software, right, where the source code will be in server. The server is also a hardware, right? So network engineer also, IT network engineer and software engineer, both will work together, they will create a product. Okay. So network engineers will work on these routers and switches. So once you completion of this course, you will try to get a job in networking domain. In networking domain, these are the devices you can handle it. These are the routers. Okay. Now switches. In any company, right, TCS or Infosys, any company, there are thousands of employees. Each and every employee required a computer. So there are a lot of floors, right? 10 floors, 12 floors building. And each and every floor you will see the desktops. All the computers are connected to these switches. Okay. These are the switches. Okay. Who will maintain these switches? We are the network engineers. Okay. These routers, switches, and firewalls. See, these are the big devices. Firewalls. What is firewall? So to protect your organization from unauthorized attacks, like hackers, right? Hackers trying to enter into your organization and trying to create nonsense, like they will stop your services by sending malware attacks. A lot of attacks they will do. To protect from those attacks, you need to configure firewall. And people are working from home, right? How they will work from home? They will do work from home. They will connect a VPN, home VPN. Okay. Front end VPN. So to their office network. So if you want to connect a VPN networks, so they use firewalls. So that's why here I am teaching routing, switching, firewall stuff. Okay. And combining these three courses and called as a internship. So minimum these three skills are required. That's why my candidates are getting a job, you know within 35 days. Okay. Yeah. So I am teaching Cisco. So Cisco, Juniper, and Palo Alto. Okay. So Cisco is a company where they manufacture the routers. So Cisco is top in enterprise network. Enterprise in the sense like companies, TCS, Wipro, or banks, wherever you see, right, you will see the devices. So in this enterprise network, if you use the devices, they use most of from Cisco only. But in service provider, they use this service provider, like Airtel, Geo, Tata Communications, they have these devices in their data center also. The performance of the device, if they want to send a traffic with high rate, right? Like 100 GB, 200 GB. They use this kind of devices. So Juniper is also one of the vendor, like Cisco. Like Cisco is like a Apple. Juniper is like a Samsung. Okay. So they will also manufacture these routers and switches. They will use in service provider environment. In this Cisco, right? So they offer certification, CCNA certification, technical certification. You must do a certification to access those devices. Okay. What is certification? It's a proof you have done a certification. But CCNA, right, If you want to do a Cisco certification, the Cisco certification cost is minimum $370. Okay, so and to pass this exam is very tough. You need to prepare minimum 6 months. Okay, this is just an examination fee, almost 35,000 rupees. If you fail it right, you will lose the 35,000 rupees. The passing score is 820 above out of 1000. Okay, it's very tough to pass because you know the objective questions are very big, and even though if you know the knowledge also, you need to prepare dumps means question and answers. And coming to Juniper, right? Juniper examination fee. So we have a CCNA in CCNA in Cisco. Here I can see CCNA in Cisco, Juniper in JNCIA. So JNCIA certification cost is $234, $236 actually with tax. But after completion of Juniper training, I will put an examination. I'll conduct a examination. If you pass that exam, you will get flat $150 discount. It means 15,000 rupees discount you will get it. Generally, this Juniper examination fee is minimum 22,000. Out of 22,000, you will get minimum 15,000 rupees discount. Just 5,000 rupees you will get a technical certification which is coming from Juniper, and it is valid for 3 years. It is directly you will get it from Juniper. Once you got the certificate right, you will put that in your resume, and it will be very demand guys if you do certification. Okay, so the thing is Juniper and Cisco, which is both are equal. Go in Naukari. So go in Naukari here, just type Juniper, JNCIA. You will see lot of, so both are networking stuff only. See here, I am typing JNCIA. Okay, just see JNCIA, network engineering. Okay, just search it. So you will you will see lot of see CCNA and JNCIA. So CCNA is equal to Juniper, JNCIA. So lot of companies are looking for JNCIA also. See here, experienced person as well. Okay, so there are a lot of jobs here. Search it. So people not they don't have awareness actually. So if you do Juniper certification, it is equal to CCNA. But Juniper certification you will get in within 5,000 rupees, right? Yes or no? See, just cost of two pairs of clothes. Okay, we are wasting amount for a lot of things. Okay, just 5,000 rupees if you spend right, you will get a certification from company. I will give you a training. In case you will get a 100% pass, guys, because I worked in Juniper. I know how to train you. Okay, and in case if you fail right by mistake, my company will bear that amount, and until you pass it, we'll register exam for you. In case if you fail, it means I'm giving a guarantee on that. So far 92 people are passed. So far everyone is passed, no one is failed. Okay, yeah. So Cisco and Juniper and Palo Alto. So in security, right, in security domain we have Cisco, Juniper and everything, but out of this Palo Alto is a number one vendor. If you see here, right, so let me share this to you guys. In Udemy, top 100 skills, if you check right in Udemy, see, this is the 100 fastest growing global skills for 2025. If you see here, right, Palo Alto is number 4 now, because this Palo Alto firewall will support cyber security features. Cyber security features. If you want to move into cyber security, you must learn CCNA networking stuff. After working 2 years as a network engineer, you need to move into cyber security. That's a good approach. Okay, so Palo Alto firewall is the top 4. You can see, right. First one is Logchain, ChatGPT, Generative AI, second, Dynatrace, and Palo Alto, security, networking stuff. Okay, so that's why this Palo Alto course, Cisco and Juniper, all these three things. If you do CCNA right, you will be good at the concepts. Each and every concepts I will cover in CCNA. And Juniper, you will get certificate, same like CCNA. Concepts are same, but the CLI is different. Like Apple operating system, Android operating system, different, right, user interface, same like that. And firewalls, so this firewall course will be teach by the Palo Alto tag engineer. from Palo Alto company only. Okay. So yeah. So this is it. So now why networking? You know, right? Why networking? To get internet. Okay. So once you completion of this course, right? We have a job roles called network engineer in data center. Okay. And this is me. In the year of 2016, I worked in data center. Are you seeing these racks? So these are the servers. So I worked on so many stuff, guys. So I have a lot of practical knowledge. I want to give it to you, all the real time things. Okay. So in the year of 2016, I worked in data center. So this is a peak. So data center as a network engineer, I started my journey as that. Okay. Now network analyst. Network analyst role is a role where you can analyze entire your company network. Whatever the issues will come, right, you need to work on it. Now knock engineer, this is for freshers, especially in data center, right? In this rack you can see lot of devices, right? Lot of servers, routers and switches. If anything happened to this device, how we will come to know? So monitoring tool is there. So the knock engineer can monitor all the devices in my data center. There, when I was working in Amazon, right, there are 1,20,000 devices are there. If anything happened to those devices, how you will come to know? So if anything happens to those devices, it will trigger a ticket and it will show you here, hey, this device is down, please check it. So knock engineers will interact with the data center site engineers and they will up the device. Okay, they will work on like that. So most of the girls especially, they'll get this kind of job roles. So it's a very good exposure. Okay. Another one is L1 network engineer in service provider. Currently we have an L1 network engineer in service providers here. L1 network engineer roles are there, 20 plus openings are there. Okay. Yeah, network administrator, it's the same thing. Any government organizations or like hospitals or any company, small companies, they have to maintain routing, switching, firewall stuff, each and everything in their office. So he can maintain everything. Network administrator can maintain everything. Now network engineering service provider, guys, you will get a good opportunity to work with service providers. Okay. if you work if you get a opportunity to work with service provider as a network engineer, please do not lose it. You will learn a lot. I worked in service provider environment, I learned a lot. Okay. Yeah. So next role is TAC engineer. I told you, right, I worked as a TAC engineer for 5 years, 4.5 to 5 years. TAC engineer is the highest role in networking domain where you can interact with global customers. What do you mean by TAC engineer? Simple. If you purchase any phone, right, Apple phone, if anything happened to that phone, you will go to the Apple store to get it repaired. You have warranty. Similarly, lot of customers are buying the Cisco devices, Juniper devices. Okay. So if anything happens to those devices, they will contact to this stack engineer. This stack engineer is a you know, have a knowledge on hardware level and protocol level. Okay, they can resolve critical issues. So if you work in a TAC environment at least for 2 years, you will learn a lot. Very important. So Paul, I worked as a TAC engineer, right? So that's why I'm teaching all the stuff at packet level. So if you type google.com on your browser, how exactly the data is leaving from your computer to the data center, everything I will tell you. These are the TAC engineer roles. Okay. So guys, software engineers cannot get a job in product based company quickly. What do you mean by product based company and service based company? Product based company means that company should have a hardware devices or software. If they have a own hardware or software, it's called product based company. These product based companies will give you projects to the service based companies like TCS, Infosys, Cognizant. So these service based companies have a clients called this Cisco, Palo Alto and all, Amazon and all. You know what? So if you get a job in product based company, right, they will give you for freshers 1 lakh rupees per month. 1 lakh rupees per month. But if you join in service based company, right, TCS and Infosys like that, so they're giving a contract. So so they will get a contract from Cisco. That 1 lakh rupee they are paying to. So the 1 lakh rupee they are paying to Infosys, but out of 1 lakh they're giving just 30,000 to you. Understand? Remaining 70,000 will be in their pockets. Now you decide where you want to get a job, either product based company or service based company. My training is my my, my training is, I always giving a training. to get a job at product based company, not like a service based. Service based, they will not, you will have a bookish knowledge only, but I'm giving you everything practical knowledge at packet level. Okay, lot of my candidates, they got a job in product based companies so far. In even though small companies also, they have their own product. Okay, product based companies like Google, Oracle, don't think like that. Even it is a small company, if they have their own product, yes, they will give you huge amount to you packages. So always aim for to get a job in product based companies, not service based. I recommend you at least do a job in startup. If you so startup, you will have a more exposure, so you will learn a lot. But service based companies, right, they will hire like a, you know they will hire you in a bulk way. They will randomly pick you, they will train you 9 to 10 months, they will give you training, then after they will put you in bench. Okay, then after, what will happen, you need to wait for the project. So they are in bench from 2 years, 3 years, you're nothing to do there, you're just getting 25 to 30,000 per month. If you go, if you want to change the company, you don't have any knowledge. Okay, to at least to get a job. Okay, there's a big things are going on here. Okay, and one more thing I'm telling you, nowadays there are no placements. So the colleges, right, even though they are doing placement drives, the companies are giving just letter of intent, that's it, they're not giving any offer letter. So people who are placed in 2022, they still not get offer letter. Even they get offer letter, they didn't get a joining letter. So the thing is, until you join in any company, there is no guarantee. So don't believe in that. There is a scam is going on. The colleges are, so to maintain their reputations, right? They're asking companies to hire the candidates, just like creating a bombada, like, creating a scene. Just hiring the candidates, they will announce, okay, 40 to 50 members are placed. Just placed. They did not join. They are not giving a joining letter. Just check with your circle. Have you seen any kind of that kind of things in your anyone? Have you seen that kind of environment? Currently, from last 2 to 3 years, it is going like that only. Okay, so yeah, AI is replacing now. So support roles gone, everything is gone, but networking, it's always constant. Okay, so I worked as a, what do you mean by cloud network engineer? It's simple. If you work in cloud, right? These are the big devices. This is a SR9K. This device cost is 1.5 crore rupees. So all these routers I used to, what is that? Configure, maintain. So this is me in the year of 2016. Okay, yeah. So this is Amazon data center. When I was there, I clicked it. Okay, yeah. Now let me explain about me. So to reach at this level, okay, my journey is this. Okay, so I worked as a field engineer for 2 years, for 4 years actually. For 2 years, I worked in one company. So there you can see small enterprise network. It's a government offices. These are the government offices. You can see this kind of racks, right? If you go on banks, you will see this kind of racks. I used to configure routing and switching on this here and giving internet services to them. Then after I worked in service provider, big devices here. So after working 4 years, my dream company is like, so I don't like field. There is no proper professionalism, like there is no teammates, there is no parties like that. I also think the same way. So I always dream like get a job in Infosys or TCS or like that. So after seeing those big buildings, so finally I got a job in Infosys, and I was like felt very happy. Induction went well. Then there are 18 members when I was joining there, right? We were friends. Every day we used to sit here and do time pass. That's it. Nothing is happened. So they try to map the project. Once you got a job in Infosys TCS, right? You need to give an internal interview for the client to get a client. If you don't get a client project, if you don't give an interview, right? If there is no projects properly, you need to do other stuff also, which is completely unrelated. So that time I have done a CCNA certification also. I am very much passionate about networking. After joining here, 3 months it is wasted. For every Friday there is a DJ enjoying, So after 6 months I realized that there is no proper thing here to learn here. Just just it's a past culture, you can say. The only thing is If I study, if I continue here, I think I cannot grow. That's what I felt. So for networking only, not for software and all, for this is my perspective. I'm not saying bad about any companies, okay? Especially service based companies will work like this only. Once you got a job in there, you need to they will put you in bench. You need to give your interviews to get a project. That's it. So after 3 months I joined one other project. I did for 3 months, and I was not at all satisfied. Then I resigned it within 6 months. I joined in Juniper. Luckily, I got a job. Now this is the turning point here. So once I joined Juniper, right, I learned everything at packet level. Then Juniper to Nokia. Nokia pick is not there, but because it was happened in during COVID. Nokia to Amazon. Okay, this is my journey. So can you believe it? What is my package when I was working as a network engineer fresher? Now what is my package? This is my journey. Success will not come in within one day, guys. So nowadays, I have lot of 55 openings. I refer the candidates. Candidates are joining. They are L1, right? They are going from one building to another building to do the network engineer stuff, and they don't want field engineer, and they're resigning it. So they want girls in their environment. I was wondering. So if you see, right, there are 10 members who got a job, and there is in that environment, right, there is no Saturday Sunday is also working day, but only weekly rotational. See, we have a rotational week offs, guys. So having lot of expectations. Okay, people should have good environment with girls and posh culture and all, and people they are, you know they just need a job for status, to represent their status symbol. So in your batch, if anyone like this, right, kindly do not join this course. I recommend everyone. If people are looking for a job only for status symbol, I'm not a person who can teach like that, to those persons. If you're really passionate about networking, I'm not saying you will get a field jobs. You'll get any job. Lot of people are got a job in good companies in high tech city and all. It is so we have a lot of opportunities based on the requirement. You'll get a jobs. Okay. So before I referred you, right, after training, right, I will refer you. We will take internal interviews. If you clear the internal interviews, we will refer you. But when we are referring, right, we will tell you clearly. So lot of people need job. You know what? For even for small job also, PhD people are applying it. So for freshers especially, you should you should get an experience at least. A fresher and a mudra povali. So you should be experienced. So at least 6 months you need to do hard work. So I worked for field for 4 years. Then I did not even look into back. Now I'm here. I'm telling you, my package was just 8,000 rupees per month. Now I'm paying 75,000 rupees tax per month. Just imagine. Okay, my package is 40 LPA. Okay, this is only fixed pay. So if you join in any company, right, Microsoft, Google, they will give you shares. If you imagine, right, NIT, IIT candidates are getting a huge package, 2 crores, 3 crores. They are not getting full amount, guys. They are just getting 40 LPA, 30 LPA. Remaining are shares. Company shares, they will give it to you. For every year they will release some amount of shares, and you will sell those shares and you'll get the amount. Okay, so this is it. Okay, when I was working in Amazon, I studied my BTech in Karnool, the KV Subbareddy college, the normal college. I'm a fee reimbursement candidate. My entire graduation cost is from first class to graduation, right, almost 14,000 rupees. That's it. I was a fee reimbursement candidate. I got a scholarship also in intermediate as well as BTech. So I did not, I only paid examination fees. That's it. Okay. Nowadays, your parents are putting lot of efforts. Okay. So I start, see, the thing is, once you get a job, work for 6 months, then you can tell you worked in high end environment, and your package will double. So I changed multiple companies, and my package I got a hike for 150, 200% based on skill set. Okay, so I'm telling you, each and everyone, I'm giving you very, so this is not an institute, this is a industrial training. Everything I will teach you practically, whatever I implemented, everything, right? So after the training, we have a clients. We have a 5 clients so far. They need a candidates. So how we got clients? Because my students attending the interviews. So based on their interview performance, they're getting shocked. How you got this much of knowledge as a fresher? That's where they recognized us. They visited my office. They conducted recruitment drive at office also. Still, last 2 days back, two more clients are coming because they saw the reviews in Google, and also they saw the YouTube and every stuff, and they come to know about us. Lot of people come to know after interviewing one of my candidate. Okay, because I'm teaching like that. My teaching style is completely different. Why? What is this? Why exactly we are learning this, and how exactly it works? What, why, how? These three ways I will teach each and everything practically. Okay, so people who will get a job, right, freshers, do not hesitate, please join. People who are looking for a job for status symbol, don't join. Okay, lot of people are calling me, hey, my marriage is scheduled, I need a job, can you please provide me a job? I will not provide a job. I will give you a skills. I will give you a high level training. I will send you a client location. You need to attend the interview, you need to crack it, that's it. No one will provide a job. If anyone says I will provide a job, 100% guarantee, he is a fake guy. Okay, until you prove yourself, it's not worthy. Okay, so I will recommend you, if you clear the interview in Tungabhadra networks, I will recommend you. So my interview also, it's like packet level interview. Okay, so I will evaluate here, I will tune you, like I will give you a training like you're ready for war. After 30 days you will loaded with fully you are loaded with skills, actually fully loaded with skills, and I will send you to the client. There you will easily crack it. Okay, so yeah guys, so you have to prove in interview. So there are 3 ways. We will send you the clients, that is one way. We will prepare your resumes. We will upload your resumes in all the job portals. You will get a calls from companies. Once you get a call, you need to inform us. Okay, this is all about freshers. For experienced candidates, right, no worry, experience in technical, I will give you a real time, high level training. And what whoever is working in knock environment, whoever is not working on protocols, right, don't worry, I will teach you the real time projects with complex environment you worked on, like BGP protocols and other protocols, so that you'll get a good package. Your resume should be very strong. Okay, and non technical people, don't bother it. I will convert your technical into non technical. Why? Because if you even working in any hospital also, there is a network engineer. You can tell them I worked as a network engineer. Okay, so but if you in hospital, if you work as a software engineer, no one believe it. But network engineers are everywhere. Network engineers are everywhere. But you may concern about your designation in offer letter, right? No problem. When you join in Infosys, they will simply give you a system engineer. System engineer can be network engineer, software engineer, anything. Okay, designation doesn't matter. Don't bother about your designation. Sales, so just tell them initially I joined as a the sales team or something like that. Then I moved to the technical, I learned the course technically, and I moved to the technical team. So they didn't change my designation. So you have a skill or not, they will check you in interview. Okay, so they will only check in interview. Okay, so please prepare well, do labs, and yeah, we'll provide you the jobs to you guys. Okay, and once you get a job, right, the freshers will get minimum 2.5 lakh rupees per annum. Okay, it goes up to 4.5. If you take internship with certification with fully loaded skills, definitely you will get a good package. If you take only CCNA, you will get 2.5, like that. It's completely depends on skills. If you have a good skills, they will hire you. Okay, they will hire you, they will give you a good package. Okay, so yeah, suppose you establish a hotel. So for puri, he's making puri very well. You're hiring one person for puri, one person for dosa, one person for idli. So you have to give 3 salaries. If one person can make all these 3 things, right, you just give a 25,000 instead of giving 30,000. Give a 25,000, right? Like that only. If you have skill set, you will get a good package and good job opportunities also. I'm saying, okay, yeah, it's up to you which course you want to take it. Okay, yeah. So these are the roles and salary details you can see. So generally for mid level, you'll get 6 to 10 lakh rupees per annum. Senior level 10 to 15. I'm the senior guy. This is rough calculations. My package is 40 LPA. Okay, Okay, and my package is 40 LPA. I got a offer in Google also. They are offering 97 lakh rupees. Okay, out of 97, 45 is fixed, remaining are shares. See, if you have a good skill set, you will get a good job. Networking is, Google Cloud is there, Amazon Cloud is there, Oracle Cloud is there, and Microsoft Cloud is there. You will easily get a job in product-based companies in the cloud environment if you are in this domain. Okay, yeah, it's a very good advantage, guys. Okay, once you do Juniper certificate, right, you will get this kind of certification for 3 years validity. Okay, see, she has done the certification in August 25. It is valid for 3 years. Okay, it's it look like this. And now lot of people are passed. I just mentioned here only few people. Once you pass, right, Juniper exam, you will get a score here. He got 95 here, he got 97 here, like that. Okay, and we will have a night shift, so guys, be ready, because it's a IT. Even if you're a software engineer, night shift, they will give a night shift allowances. For girls, right, they will accept it. Okay, they will give exemption, like if you have any health issues, or right, they will accept it, and they will give day shifts only. And one more thing, lot of people are learning Python and Java, right? So people are taking full stack and Python and lot of courses, but they don't have opportunities. But if you know Python, right, learn CCNA and automation script, automation internship program, you will become a network automation engineer. So there are two internships I am providing here: core internship, automation internship. Core in the sense purely core networking, currently what I said. So what is automation? There are thousands of devices in this network. If you want to configure anything on those devices manually, it is not possible. You need to do automation. So you can just configure all the devices within just milliseconds. So there is no human errors and all. So the thing is, we are launching a automation project as well. So what I'm saying is, if you visit my website, I clearly described here. Okay, so if you go here, right, automation, network automation, this is a Cisco DevNet course, you can say. This is a demo also, clearly here you can go through it. So here, whoever is fresher, that fresher is having Python skills, they can adopt automation. It's a very booming thing now. Okay, if you don't know Python, no problem. If you don't know this coding language, no problem. We have a network engineers, they will give you equal salaries. Okay, yeah. And experienced candidates, guys, experienced candidates must and should learn in core as well as automation both. So if you know Python, just learn CCNA for freshers. If you know CCNA already, learn Python to become a network automation engineer. So here are the things. Okay, if you already know Python, learn CCNA plus other automation projects. If you already know CCNA, learn automation stuff here. Okay, so experienced candidates, I'm telling you, especially experienced in technical people, first learn CCNA, and I also recommend you to take CCNP. Okay, so first build your core, then think about automation for experienced candidate. For non-technical people, right, non-technical people, first think about technical, just move to technical, work for 1 year, then think about automation. Okay, so anyhow, it's up to your interest. No, I want to learn, I know Python, then I'm welcoming it. Okay, so network automation is a big boom now. They will give you huge salaries. Okay, so why I'm saying this, lot of people are done learning Python. Everyone nowadays learning Python, but they're not getting jobs. But if you add this CCNA concept, Python is a just programming language. But if you learn this concept, CCNA plus Python is boom now. Okay, so we have two different internships. So I recommend everyone, people who don't like coding, take a normal internship program. Okay, so if you go home, right here, you will see. Okay, enroll for networking internship. People who don't like coding. Okay, people who like coding, enroll network automation. For experienced candidates, build your core first. Your technical skills should be very at top notch. Okay, it should be at top notch. So take internship, do certification, and I recommend you to do CCNP also. Okay, so it's up to you guys, I'm just telling you. So just check it at the Naukari, based on your skill set. You are working in organization for 5 years. However, you don't have much good package. That is a problem here. Why? Because your resume is not up to the mark. See, I will give you one non-technical guy who learn here. So see here, this guy resume I will show you here. So this is a resume, one of the non-technical guy who worked in college, BTech colleges. See, he's working from last 8.5 years. In colleges also in the lab we have routers and switches, right? I gave him a proper training. This is a skill. So this is a resume you need to build like this. He has done CCNA certification, and see, this is a professional summary you need to build properly. Then technical certification details and companies. So this is how you need to build your resume in a proper way. So we give this kind of templates to you. We have a Canva subscription. We will take care of your resumes. Okay, we'll help you to prepare your resume in a good way. And for everyone, okay, until you get a job, guys, we will be there for you. Okay, so our goal is, see, you're joining the course here, right, to achieve something. You have some dreams to fulfill it. To fulfill your dream is my company dream, our dreams. That is what we are working here. Okay, so it's not like a institute teaching classes and ignoring it. No, we will take care of each and everything. We have a dedicated team. Once you done, so once the class is completed, right, all the classes are online, because everyone expecting a class from me only, right? So I'm teaching in Zoom meeting or Google Meet. Okay, so each and every class I will provide a recorded sessions. In case if you miss any class, go through the recorded session and contact my team. We have a dedicated engineers. You may see, right? These are the network engineers. Are one of the person. Lot of people are here at my office. So freshers, I am telling you, freshers, please try to take a PG at office and daily come to the office and learn it. Within 25 days, definitely will get a job. For experienced candidates, try to come at least on weekends and get a hands-on experience by practicing on real devices. Okay, yeah, so yeah, that's what I would like to tell. I hope you got a clear picture. So if you have any questions, now ask me. And thank you so much for 1 hour you're patiently listening to my words. Okay, so yeah, one by one you can ask the question, but before going to ask the question, one more time I'm telling you guys, for freshers, if you are a education gap, career gap, doesn't matter, whatever it is, even 2003 passed out person also learning here. Age is just a number to achieve the things. Okay, education gap, career gap, doesn't matter. Learn the skills. And that is for freshers. People who are working in non-technical, they want to move in technical, right? Yeah, I will give you a real-time projects. Okay, you need to take internship with real-time projects. Okay, so I will share you everything. So the price and all the details, right? What is the cost of this course and all? Here you will see fee structure of this. Okay, so you will see. So the registration fee is 500, guys. People may ask you why registration fee is 500. Other institutions, they are charging 1000 rupees, but we are charging 500 rupees. You know why? Once you join this course, we will give you digital ID card to you. And once you joining this course, you are the permanent member of Tungabhadra networks. you know After 5 years, after 2 years also, you can come to office. We are extending the branches also. Currently Karnool and Hyderabad is there. A lot of people are staying in Hyderabad, right? So now you take a course after 1 year, 2 years. If you want to learn again, come back and learn again, only CCNA, whatever you enroll. So this is a permanent membership we are giving. We are maintaining your database. So we are maintaining database in software. So for maintenance and all, right, that is a registration fee. And also registration fee confirming that you're going to what you're going to register it. So we are using lot of tools and services to provide you seamless services to you guys. Okay, so that's why in any demo I did not explain. For this demo only I'm explaining for registration fee. Okay, registration fee is mandatory, which is not refundable. So yeah, so check with my team, go and explore it. Check the each and every course fee, compare with other institutions. So people are asking this institution is having less. Check with the concepts. There you get bookish knowledge, where you'll get the good knowledge. I'm just asking one thing. In our Andhra Pradesh, Lot of intermediate candidates after studying intermediate, they are going to Chennai, Tamil Nadu, or other cities. Why? Because their colleges, engineering colleges are very good. That's why they're traveling across the city, across the state, and studying it. Okay, why? Because even your, if you want to choose any college, right, there are number of colleges, you will choose the best college, right? So it's like that only. So I'm not hiring anyone from outside. I have 11 years of experience. I'm the only person who teaches everything at packet level. I'm very much passionate about networking. So we will conduct boot camps, 100% free placement services, and communication skills also. Whoever is taking internship, right, the communication skills are free. Training is free. The communication skills means not talking about English. It's like how to written emails. Once you join in any company, how to write an emails, how to interact with team leads, how to interact with your colleagues, the basic office environment stuff, each and everything they will she will explain. So my company HR is Ashwini. She had a 8 years of experience from TCS. Okay, she will take care of communications and personality development training. That's completely free for internship candidates. People who are only enrolled CCNA, right? They need to enroll for communication training. That is the charge you can see here. Okay. Now that is all about it, guys. Anyone having any questions, please go ahead now. Okay. Once again, sir, can you please explain Telugu and English more? Now you can ask in Telugu. Okay. If you have any questions. So I think I have explained only simple English only. If you have any questions, ask in Telugu. Uh, any questions? Yeah. Anyhow, I have 10 years of experience and I have done telecom projects in Telstra. Okay. Now in Infosys, I'm looking for big sessions according to my experience. Yes, brother. Take an internship. Take a internship and a real time project. In internship, CCNA, Juniper, and Palo Alto. You being as an experienced candidate, you should have a multi vendor knowledge. So in your house, మన ఇంట్లో ఉంది, హౌస్ ఉంది. సో ఫ్రిడ్జ్ ఒక కంపెనీ ఉంటే టీవీ ఒక కంపెనీ ఉంటుంది, అవునా? ఫ్రిడ్జ్ కంపెనీ is higher or TV is LG, like that. So you're not using same company product, right? In companies also, in our infrastructure also, they don't purchase all the devices from Cisco. Cisco is good for enterprise. For core routers, they will buy a Juniper devices. For security device, they will buy a Palo Alto. So you should have a multi-vendor knowledge. I have a multi-vendor knowledge. I worked on Cisco, I worked on Juniper, I worked on Nokia, I worked on Arista, Huawei, HP. I have a multi-vendor knowledge. That's why I have a huge demand. So multi-vendor knowledge should be there. So please take a internship, core internship with real-time project. So offline, what does it mean offline? In see guys, listen carefully. Offline means I need to teach you in front of you, right? In front of you. No, I cannot travel. The classes timings are 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., 7 a.m. to 8 a.m., 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. These are the only two timings which are available. Okay, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m., 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Now the upcoming batch is 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. batch. Okay, the upcoming batch is 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. So no one come at 7 a.m., right? And also I'm a working employee. I can travel. I was in different locations. So you guys should attend the class on Google Meet. Once the class is completed, right? Please go to the office offline. You can stay how much of hours you want to stay it. And there are 4 network engineers we have. They will help you in case if you have any queries. During class only, I will explain very clean and neat. Okay, and even if you have any questions, we here for practicing we use GNS3 tool, not Cisco packet tracer. We use GNS3 tool. We install the devices operating system in our computer and we'll practice it. Once you practice here, you can go to office and practice on live devices also. There my network engineers are there, they will help you. But the classes will conducting through Google Meet only. Okay, yeah, only through Google Meet. Everything real time experience also, guys. Real time how we can access the labs, real time experience, visit the office. Online I'm not providing. Online, right? You have GNS3, right? We use GNS3 tool. whatever the devices, right? Devices operating system. Those operating system you can we can configuring on our So this is a GNS3 tool. Are you seeing my screen? So this is a GNS3 tool. You can see it's a big project. Okay. So all the devices, you can see the devices also. Let just wait for 2 minutes. See, these all are the devices. So these Cisco router, Juniper switches, everything we can add it here. The operating system, drag and drop and practice it on live. Okay. But if you want to see on real devices, visit offline and yeah, you can practice it. Yeah, you can unmute and talk, brother. Sir, what is your opinion on AI? How much impact? Nothing. I made a number of videos in AI. See, artificial intelligence, right? So if any cable is disconnected, any cable is cut, right? See, these are cables, right? You can see right here. Here. So these are a lot of cables, right? Here. See, lot of cables connected. Lot of protocols are there. If anything happen, artificial intelligence can go and troubleshoot. Is it possible for artificial intelligence? Tell me. No. So
No.
to just understand, ఆ ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ వర్క్ కావాలంటే నెట్వర్కింగ్ పర్సన్స్ ఉండాలి. ఆ ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ సర్వర్స్ అన్ని ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి? ఇవే ఆ సర్వర్స్. వాట్ ఎవర్ ద జీపీయూస్, ఎన్విడియా జీపీయూస్, ఆ సర్వర్స్ అన్ని ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి? ఇక్కడే ఉంటాయి. జస్ట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ గైస్, ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ ఇస్ నెట్వర్కింగ్. ఓకే. సో ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇంజనీర్స్ ఆర్ ఏఐ. బట్ ఆ ఏఐకే ఎవరున్నారంటే ఫాదర్ నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్స్. ఇవన్నీ సర్వర్స్. ఈ సర్వర్స్ లో జీపీయూస్ ఉంటాయి. ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ యొక్క లాజిక్ అంతా ఉంటుంది. సో మీరు చాట్ జీపీటీ కొడితే చాట్ జీపీటీ సర్వర్స్ అన్ని ఉంటాయి ఇక్కడ డేటా సెంటర్స్ లో. ఆ డేటా సెంటర్స్ అన్ని వర్క్ అవ్వాలి అంటే మీ వరకు మధ్యలో నెట్వర్కింగ్ ఉండాలి. ఏఐ కెనాట్ ట్రబుల్ షూట్ ఇట్. ఏఐ కెనా. సో మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఇక్కడ పైథాన్ యూస్ చేస్తాం. వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ పైథాన్ టు ఐడెంటిఫై ద ఇష్యూస్, దట్స్ ఇట్, నాట్ ట్రబుల్ షూట్. సో వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఆటోమేషన్ టు ఐడెంటిఫై ద ఇష్యూస్, not fixing the issues. So when you join as a network engineer, right, everything is already established. ఎందుకు మిమ్మల్ని నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్ గా తీసుకుంటారంటే ఆల్రెడీ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ అయిన నెట్వర్కింగ్ ని మనం ట్రబుల్ షూట్ చేయాలి. ఏమైనా ఇష్యూస్ వస్తే ట్రబుల్ షూట్. దే హైర్ యూ ఓన్లీ టు ట్రబుల్ షూట్ ద ఇష్యూస్. వెరీ 20 to 30% for deployment implementation is there. Once everything is set up right, everything is working, you don't have much work also. Okay. If any issues comes, you need to troubleshoot it and fix it. That's it. So you tell me, if the cable, this cable can go, AI can go and fix it. You tell me, just think logically, right? AI cannot affect it. Okay. So if AI is affecting, right, they're paying very high package to me. Okay. See, I recently got a promotion also. Right? You know what, guys, think about it. So networking is a internet. Without internet there is nothing in this world. Even chat gpt AI is also not there. Okay. So we are the person who will, you know, provide 24 into 7 internet services. Okay. Okay, someone is asking, I have experience, I want to learn advanced course CCNP. Even if you have experience, okay, even if you are an experienced candidate, my CCNA is not just a CCNA. See the CCNA content here. This course is just named as a CCNA, but I'm teaching every concept at packet level, at CCIE level. You must take CCNA along with CCNP. Okay. So if you type www.c, I'm typing www.google.com or Tungabhadra Network on this browser. What exactly is happening at the backend? DNS queries, resolution, TCP. If you know all the things at packet level, then you can directly learn CCNP. Otherwise, learn CCNA first, each and every concept. Guys, I'm telling you, people who are having 25 years of experience, they join this course and learning CCNA, because this is just not a CCNA, guys. Just name is a CCNA. All the concepts which I'm giving here, all are packet level. Everything with headers and fields I'm explaining here. Only the basic phase one, right? I designed this course my own way. So in CCNA there is no BGP, but I'm teaching BGP. That's why I'm not teaching like a contents, course contents. Whatever the industry is exactly looking for, right? Those protocols I'm picking it, I'm teaching here. Everything. BGP is not part of CCNA, but I'm teaching here because BGP is required. That protocol is required. So it's not a institution or syllabus based training, guys. It's industry based trainings. That is what you need, right? Companies are hiring you because what they want. whatever they want, I know it. So on all prospective, I will teach you. Okay, yeah. So no problem. So if you don't have any knowledge on Python, don't worry about Python. Just take a core internship course. Okay, CCNA, Juniper, and Palo Alto. Take that internship. So each and everyone, freshers, experience, and all, I am recommending you to take internship because multi-vendor knowledge should be required. Okay, no one is speaking. Everyone is texting. Why?
ఫర్
ఏమన్నా
ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్లో జాయిన్ అయ్యాము అనుకో,
ఓకే.
జూన్ 2 సిసిఎన్ఏలోకి ఎలో చేస్తారా?
ఎస్. ఇంటర్న్షిప్ లో జాయిన్ అయితే అన్ని ఒకేసారి జరగవండి. ఫస్ట్ సీసీఎన్ఏ కంప్లీట్ అయినాక 20 days కి జునిపర్. ఓకే,
ఓకే.
ఆ తర్వాత పాలల్టో 1 by 1 అలో చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? ఇట్ ఈస్ టూ
ఓకే.
డ్యూరేషన్ ఈస్ 2 months ఆఫ్ కోర్స్. ఇట్స్ 2 months ఆఫ్ కోర్స్. ఓకే, యా.
ఓకే. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్
ల్యాబ్స్ ఫినిష్
వర్కింగ్ చేసే
చేసుకునే టైం ఉంటుందా అండి?
ఏంటమ్మా?
అంటే ఇంటర్న్‌షిప్ 3 కాంబో తీసుకుంటే
ఉమ్.
సీసీఎన్ఏ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత దాన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ జూనిపర్ తర్వాత పాలెల్‌టో అలా టైం ఉంటుందా మధ్యలో?
ఆ, ఇప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు June 2 సీసీఎన్ఏ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. June 2 నుంచి June 25 వరకు సీసీఎన్ఏ బ్యాచ్ జరుగుతుంది. అప్పుడు ఓన్లీ సీసీఎన్ఏనే నేర్చుకుంటారు మీరు, మిగతావి నేర్చుకోరు. 1 by 1. ఓకే. సో
సీసీఎన్ఏ ల్యాబ్ రియల్ టైమ్ ఎక్స్‌పీరియన్స్ కావాలి కదా!
అదే అమ్మా నేను చెప్తున్నాను కదా, మీరు డైలీ క్లాస్ నేను ల్యాబ్లు ఇస్తాను మీకు. ఆ ల్యాబ్లు మీరు చేస్తే అదే రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్ వస్తుంది. రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్ అంటే ఆ ప్రోటోకాల్ ఎక్కడ రియల్ టైంలో యూజ్ చేశారు అనేది ల్యాబ్ చేస్తారు మీరు మీ ల్యాప్టాప్స్లోనే. లేదు మీరు ఆఫీస్కి వచ్చి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుంటారంటే ఆఫీస్కి వచ్చి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఆన్ రియల్
అంటే
డివైసెస్.
వర్కింగ్ ప్రొఫెషనల్స్‌కి వర్క్ చేసుకుంటూ మళ్ళీ అక్కడికి వెళ్లి చేయడం అవ్వదు కదా!
అందుకే సాటర్డే సండేస్ రమ్మంటున్నానమ్మా. అదే చెప్పాను.
సాటర్డే, సండే టైమింగ్స్ ఏముంటాయి?
మా ఆఫీసు ఎవ్రీ డే మార్నింగ్ 9 నుంచి ఈవినింగ్ 7 వరకు ఓపెన్లో ఉంటుంది. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా రావచ్చు.
ఓకే.
ఓకే.
మండే టు మండే. సో యా, సో 24/7 అంటే 365 days ఓపెన్లోనే ఉంటుంది. బట్ మార్నింగ్ 9 AM టు ఈవినింగ్ 7 PM వరకు ఓపెన్లో ఉంటుంది. మీరు వచ్చి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ మీరు క్లాస్లోనే నేను క్లియర్ కట్గా మీకు ల్యాబ్స్ ఇచ్చేస్తాను ఎక్కడ ఏం వర్క్ అవుతుందని. ఇదంతా అయిపోయిన తర్వాత రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఏంటంటే టికెట్స్ ఎలా వస్తాయి, కాంప్లెక్స్ ఇష్యూస్ ఎలా వస్తాయి అనేది అది వేరు. మానిటరింగ్ టూల్ అవన్నీ సపరేట్ రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్లో కవర్ అవుతాయి. సో దేర్ ఆర్ 2 things హియర్. ఆల్రెడీ మీరు సీసీఎన్ఏ కోర్స్ నేర్చుకున్నప్పుడే మొత్తం అంతా రియల్ టైంలోనే నేర్చుకుంటారు. ఓకే, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ప్రోటోకాల్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ రైట్, ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం అనేది నేర్చుకుంటారు. ఆ ల్యాబే చేస్తాం. ఓకే, సపోజ్ నేను ఒక ల్యాబ్ చేయించాను. ఓకే, ఎస్బీఐ బ్యాంక్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇచ్చాను. ఇక్కడ ఓపెన్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. జస్ట్ బ్యాంక్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. ఓకే, జస్ట్ ఎస్టర్డేనే ఇట్ ఈస్ కంప్లీటెడ్. డిఎస్సిపి ప్రాజెక్ట్. ఓకే, సో ఇట్స్ రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్, బ్యాంక్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. సో ఇట్లా ఈ టూల్ ఉంటుంది. దీంట్లో ఇట్లా రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్లు ఇస్తాం. ఇట్లా సర్వీస్ ప్రొవైడర్ ఇలా ఉంటుంది, ఇది ఎయిర్టెల్, టాటా, ఇది ఎస్బీఐ బ్యాంక్ అని ఇట్లా నీట్గా క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను నేను. ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసిన తర్వాత దీన్నే మీరు ఆడ లైవ్లో డివైజెస్లో కూడా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, ఒక రియల్ టైం వేలో నేను ఇస్తాను. ఇది ప్రోటోకాల్ ప్రాస్పెక్టివ్ రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్స్. ఆ కోర్స్ అంతా కంప్లీట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఒక కంపెనీలో జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత డైలీ మీరు రోల్స్ అండ్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీస్ ఏంటి అంటే, టికెట్స్ వస్తాయి కదా, ఆ టికెట్స్ ఎలా వస్తాయి, మానిటరింగ్ టూల్ ఏం వాడతారు, బ్యాక్ అండ్ ప్రాసెస్ ఏంటి, టికెట్ వస్తే మీ టీంతో ఎవరితో ఎలాంటి కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వాలి. ఈ రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎవరికంటే నాన్ టెక్నికల్ పీపుల్కి మెయిన్గా. ఓకే, వాళ్ళకి ఏం తెలియదు కదా ఎట్లా టికెట్స్ వస్తాయి ఏంటనేది. ఈవెన్ టెక్నికల్ పీపుల్ కూడా వాళ్ళు కాంప్లెక్స్ ఎన్వైర్న్మెంట్లో ఎలా వర్క్ చేశారో వాళ్ళకి తెలియదు. అలాంటి వాళ్ళు ఇది ఎన్రోల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, అది. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, ఫ్రెషర్స్కి ఇది అవసరం లేదు. ఫ్రెషర్స్కి రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్ తీసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఓన్లీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా, అది. ఓకే, ఆఫీస్ లొకేషన్ ఎక్కడుందంటే గూగుల్లోకి వెళ్ళండి. గూగుల్లోకి వెళ్ళి కంపెనీ పేరు కొట్టండి, తుంగభద్ర నెట్వర్క్స్ కూకట్పల్లి అని, లేకపోతే హైదరాబాద్ అని కొట్టండి. యూ విల్ సీ. ఆర్ యూ సీయింగ్ ఇట్ రైట్? ఇదే. సో ఇదే డైరెక్షన్స్, యూ కెన్ గెట్ హియర్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద డైరెక్షన్స్. సో కూకట్పల్లి మెట్రో ఉంది కదా, మెట్రో పక్కనే ఉంటుంది, జస్ట్ 50 to 100 meters. ఓకే, అండ్ హలో సార్, ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ
సార్
నాలెడ్జ్. సో మీకు ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి, ఈ కామెంట్స్ అన్ని చదివేసి మీ ఇండివిజువల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ తీసుకుంటాను. సో యా, ఎవరికైతే ఏ నాలెడ్జ్ ఉందో, ఏ నాలెడ్జ్ వాళ్ళ లేని వాళ్ళకు కూడా స్క్రాచ్ నుంచి టీచ్ చేస్తాను. ఇక్కడ ఒకటి చెప్తున్నాను, ఫ్రెషర్స్కిను ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్కిను సపరేట్ సపరేట్ క్లాసెస్ నేను చెప్పను. అందరినీ ఒకే ఈక్వల్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఇస్తాను. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు డిఫరెన్షియేట్ ఇట్. అందరికీ ఈక్వల్ నాలెడ్జ్, హై లెవెల్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఇస్తాను. ఈవెన్ 10-12 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉన్న డే 1 నుంచే వాళ్ళు కొత్తగా నేను తెలుసుకుంటారు. ఓకే, ఈక్వల్ నాలెడ్జ్ మేము ఇస్తాం. సో ఆఫీస్ పక్కన చాలా పీజీస్ ఉన్నాయి. మీరు ఏ పీజీ అయినా చూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు, వచ్చి చూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఫ్రెషర్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో చాలా మంది నెల్లూరు, చెన్నై లొకేషన్ నుంచి కూడా వచ్చి మన దగ్గర నేర్చుకుంటున్నారండి. సో ఆఫీస్ దగ్గరలో చాలా పీజీస్ ఉన్నాయి, మీరు తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, వన్స్ అగైన్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. ఓ థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యాన్, అండ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, ఐ వాంట్ లెర్న్ అడ్వాన్స్. మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఆన్సర్ ఇచ్చాను, CCNA CCNP విత్ అలాంగ్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ తీసుకోండి. సో డెస్క్టాప్ సపోర్ట్, రైట్, నేను కూడా డెస్క్టాప్ సపోర్టే చేశాను. మీరు డెస్క్టాప్ సపోర్ట్ చేసినా కూడా డెస్క్టాప్ సపోర్ట్ అని చెప్పకండి. సో నేను మీకు CCNA ఇంటర్న్షిప్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నేను మీకు రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇస్తాను, రౌటర్స్ స్విచెస్ మీద వర్క్ చేసినట్టు. అదే పెట్టుకొని మీరు ట్రై చేయాలి, 200% వస్తుంది. సో రీసెంట్లీ చాలా మంది ఇప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ ఉన్నారు కదండి, HTML CSS నేర్చుకున్న వాళ్ళు, వాళ్ళకి అసలు ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ లేవు, 2 years ఖాళీగా ఉన్నారు. అలాంటి వాళ్ళకి నేను ట్రైనింగ్ ఇచ్చాను. దే ఆర్ వర్కింగ్ ఇన్ ప్రోడక్ట్ బేస్డ్ కంపెనీ యాజ్ ఎ నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్స్. ఓకే, సో ఇట్స్ ఈజీ టు గెట్ ఎన్ స్విచ్ టు డొమైన్, ప్రాబ్లమే లేదు. ఓకే,
సార్ కంటెంట్ ఏముందో మీరు డిస్కస్ చేయలేదు.
కంటే
CCNA కంటెంట్ ఏం చెప్తారు అనేది.
ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా కంటెంట్ అన్ని, గో టు వెబ్సైట్, కంటెంట్ అంతా ఇక్కడ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ నేను డిజైన్ చేసా phase 1, ఇక్కడ ఇవన్నీ చెప్తాం phase 1లో. phase 2 రౌటింగ్ అండ్ స్విచ్చింగ్ టెక్నాలజీస్. ఓకే, phase 2 ఆ తర్వాత ఇవన్నీ కంటెంట్సే ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇవన్నీ కంటెంట్సే. విజిట్ మై వెబ్సైట్, ఒక్కొక్క కోర్సు చూడండి, ఒక్కొక్క CCNP సిలబస్ ఇది. ఓకే, ఆ తర్వాత జూనిపర్ సిలబస్ ఇది, ఆ తర్వాత పాలాల్టో సిలబస్ ఇది. ఓకే, ఆ తర్వాత
Sir, sorry to interrupt. Actually, company promoting me to as a L1 to security engineer. Is it possible to right way to join firewalls course or
ఎస్,
learn CCNA?
సి సెక్యూరిటీ, యా మ్యాన్. సి సెక్యూరిటీ అంటే ఏంటి, L4. ఓకే, ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ లేయర్ నుంచి యూనిట్ టు ప్రొటెక్ట్ యువర్ IP లేయర్ అండ్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ లేయర్ అండ్ అప్లికేషన్ లేయర్. సో సెక్యూరిటీ రావాలంటే ఫస్ట్ లేయర్ 1, లేయర్ 2, లేయర్ 3 రావాలి. యూ మస్ట్ లర్న్ CCNA అండ్ పాలాల్టో. CCNA is a ground level thing. You must learn CCNA. You will see all the contents perfectly here. Once you perfectly learn here, then you can learn Palo Alto. Palo Alto, we will cover all kind of, you know, IPsec it will cover, and there is a panorama. There are a lot of things, so which can deal by.
So it's a completely only Palo Alto firewall.
See, Palo Alto is a vendor. Whatever the concepts you are using on Palo Alto, that is same for all the vendors. You are using Google Chrome. The Google Chrome is same for Apple phone and Android phone, right? Yes or no? Right?
Yes, yes.
The implementation is different. That's it. So Palo Alto vendor is number one vendor in security. And what are the concepts you are using, right? Everything is same in each and every firewall vendor. Okay. But we are choosing Palo Alto because Palo Alto is a boom now. You can check it in. I just show you, right? Palo Alto is in top 4.
Yes, sir, correct. But you are mentioning that Palo Alto PCNSE, it's a expert level registration. But what about the Palo Alto PCNSA? That's a fundamentals and basic knowledge on firewalls.
Not fundamental. Palo Alto is a, you see, CCNA is Cisco
No, sir,
certification, right?
PCNSA is a firewall basic concepts.
Not basic concepts, brother. You see these concepts here. It's not basics.
That is I am telling, sir. It's a expert level training.
Yeah. It's expert level training. It will start
Can I
from
get the
basic.
PCNSA also?
Yeah, this is a PCNSE training only. Whatever the contents are there in PCNSE, we are teaching it from entry level to expert level. Understand? We will start from entry level and to expert level. So to understand the security concepts, first you need to understand basics. CCNA will cover all the basics, everything. So the basics are very important. How exactly it works, internet, the packet flow and all. Once you know the things at packet level, learn Palo Alto, how to filter, how to secure your traffic. Okay.
No, sir. Actually, నా డౌట్ ఏంటంటే PCN Palo Alto ఏదైతే ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్తున్నో అది ఎక్స్పర్ట్ లెవెల్ ట్రైనింగ్ అనమాట.
కాదు బ్రదర్, నేను అదే చెప్తున్నాను.
దీనికంటే ముందు PCNS కూడా వస్తుంది. PCNSA.
ఎన్ఎస్సి అదే అంటున్నా, ఎన్ఎస్ఏ వదిలిపెట్టేసే. ఎన్ఎస్సి ఇస్ ద థింగ్. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ ఈ అంటే ఎక్స్పర్ట్ కాదు, ఇంజనీర్. ఇట్స్ ఎంట్రీ లెవెల్ సర్టిఫికేషన్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు CCNA కింద కూడా CCND వేరే ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో డోంట్ వరీ. PCNSE మీన్స్ ఇంజనీర్, నాట్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ ఏ నెట్వర్క్ సర్టిఫైడ్ నెట్వర్క్ సెక్యూరిటీ ఇంజనీర్. Palo Alto ఎంట్రీ లెవెల్ సర్టిఫికేషన్ PCNSE. ఒక్క నిమిషం నేను ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తాను. Palo Alto సర్టిఫికేట్స్. నువ్వు ఈ అంటే ఎక్స్పర్ట్ అనుకుంటున్నావా సిసిఎన్ఈ లాగా? నో. యూ కెన్ సీ రైట్. సో ఇది సి ఉంది కదా, సి ఈజ్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. ఓకే, సో
Okay.
కన్సల్టింగ్ థింగ్. సో ఇంజనీరింగ్ ఈజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్. సో సెక్యూరిటీ
Okay.
ఇంజనీర్ ఈజ్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ వన్. సో ఇవన్నీ అసోసియేట్ లెవెల్. ఎన్ఎస్సి ఏ అనేవి అన్ని ఎంట్రీ లెవెలే, డిఫరెంట్
Okay.
డిఫరెంట్. ఇప్పుడు
Okay.
సిసిఎన్ఏలో ఇంతకుముందు సిసిఎన్ఏ రౌటింగ్, సిసిఎన్ఏ స్విచ్చింగ్ అట్లా ఉండే కదా, అట్లా ఇక్కడ కూడా
Okay.
కన్సల్టింగ్ సైడ్ వెళ్ళాలంటే ఇది తీసుకోవాలి, అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటివ్ వెళ్ళాలంటే ఇది తీసుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు నౌ యూఆర్ ఇంజనీర్ సెక్యూరిటీ సైడ్, యూ నీడ్ టు టేక్ ఇట్స్ ఎంట్రీ లెవెల్ సర్టిఫికేషన్ ఓన్లీ. దాని తర్వాత
Okay.
వచ్చేది పిసిసిఎస్సి. ఓకే, డోంట్
Okay.
కన్ఫ్యూజ్ ఇట్. ఓకే, యా,
Clear. Thank you.
నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఎనీవన్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీ కెరీర్ గురించి కానీ ఇంకా ఏదైనా? ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ప్లీజ్ లెట్ మీ నో. యా,
వెబ్సైట్ లో ప్రొడక్ట్ లిస్ట్ లో ఉంది కదా సార్, ఆటోమేషన్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ అని చెప్పేసి, నెట్వర్క్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ అని చెప్పేసి, సిసిఎన్ఏ అని చెప్పేసి,
యా,
ఈ మూడిట్లో డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి సార్?
అదే అండి మీకు కింద క్లాస్ చెప్పా కదా, ఇవన్నీ ఆర్డర్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఎవరైనా. సో ఒకవేళ ఎవరైనా మీకు ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లేదు, మీకు ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ అవసరం లేదు అనుకుంటే నెట్వర్క్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ తీసుకోండి. ఇట్ విల్ కవర్, ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా, ఇట్ విల్ కవర్ సిసిఎన్ఏ, జూనిపర్, పిసిఎన్ఎస్సి అలాంగ్ విత్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ ట్రైనింగ్. ఇది మొత్తం ఇంటర్న్షిప్
Sir,
కోర్. వన్ సెకండ్, ఇది కోర్.
ఇప్పుడు ఓకే సార్.
ఇది కోర్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ అన్నమాట. లేదు మీకు ఆటోమేషన్ వచ్చు అనుకుంటే యూ కెన్ చూస్ ఆటోమేషన్ కోర్స్.
ఓకే సార్, నేనేంటంటే రోటర్స్ తర్వాత స్విచెస్ కాన్ఫిగర్ ఎలా చేయాలి, కోర్స్ తీసి ఎలా కాన్ఫిగర్ చేయాలి అని చెప్పేసి తెలుసుకున్నాను, అది నేర్చుకోవాలని ఉంది సార్.
ఇదే నెట్వర్క్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్
నేను
ప్రోగ్రామ్ అండి.
ఏం
ఇది ఇది
చేసుకోవాలి
ఇది ఇదే ఇదే అండి. సో ఎవరికైతే పైథాన్ వచ్చో వాళ్ళు మాత్రమే చూస్ చేసుకోండి. బీటెక్ లో ఫ్రెషర్ అయినా ఎవరైనా సరే పైథాన్ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు మాత్రమే చూస్ చేసుకోండి, రిమైనింగ్ వాళ్ళు కోర్ చూస్ చేసుకోండి. ఇది నార్మల్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ ప్రోగ్రామ్, దిస్ ఈస్ కోర్ నెట్వర్కింగ్. సో రౌటర్ స్విచెస్ గురించి ఎవరైనా పైథాన్ వచ్చి ఆటోమేషన్ సైడ్ వెళ్ళాలనుకున్న వాళ్ళు మాత్రమే ఇది చూస్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, సో కరెంట్లీ ఎవ్రీ వన్
సరే.
ప్లీజ్ చూస్ దిస్ ఓన్లీ.
సార్ నెట్వర్క్ ఆటోమేషన్స్ లో ఏమేమి నేర్పిస్తారు సార్? నెట్వర్క్ ఆటోమేషన్స్ లో ఇంటర్న్షిప్ లో ఏమేమి నేర్పిస్తారు సార్?
సిసిఎన్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది
దాంట్లో
చూడండి.
సిసిఎన్ ఇవి ఏమైనా ఉంటాయా?
ఎస్ అన్ని ఉంటాయి. సో దిస్ సిలబస్. ఇప్పుడు కిందికి వస్తే ఇది ఈ నెట్వర్క్ ఆటోమేషన్ కంటెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ సిసిఎన్ఏ ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్తాం అందరితో పాటు, నార్మల్ సిసిఎన్ఏ ట్రైనింగ్.
ఓకే సార్.
ఆ తర్వాత
ఓకే సార్.
పైథాన్ ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్తాం. ఇదంతా పైథాన్ ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్తాం. ఆ పైథాన్ తో పాటు రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ కూడా ఇస్తాం. సో మేము ఫస్ట్ టైం లాంచ్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి దీనికి మాత్రం ఫ్లాట్ 10,000 డిస్కౌంట్ ఇస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ టైం నుంచి ఉండదు ఇది. ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం మేము లాంచ్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి దిస్ విల్ హ్యావ్ 10,000 డిస్కౌంట్. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, సిసిఎన్ఏ వస్తుంది, ఆ తర్వాత పైథాన్ కోర్స్ మేము టీచ్ చేస్తాం, ఆ తర్వాత రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్స్, లైనెక్స్ కూడా టీచ్ చేస్తాం. ఓన్లీ నెట్వర్క్ ఆటోమేషన్ కి ఎంతవరకు కావాలి అది.
Hello sir,
Hello.
sorry for interrupting.
One second, let me complete.
ఇది
Okay, I'll speak in English.
ఎన్ని
So,
డేస్ పెట్టారు సార్? విత్ ఇన్ 2 months కంప్లీట్ అవుతుందా?
yeah, let me tell you one thing. Okay, for network automation, we'll give a training on CCNA, same like as core networking, right? Same CCNA concepts, depth level. After that, we will train you Python, all these concepts. After that, we'll train you Linux along with real-time projects. Everything. This course is completely 2.5 months. Network automation.
2.5 months.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
for networking, right? This is network automation, normal network real time project, right? Sorry, what is that? Network internship.
ఓకే సార్, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ రెండింటిని కంపేర్ చేస్తే హ్యూజ్ ఓపెనింగ్స్ దేనిపైన ఎక్కువ కాల్స్ ఉంటాయి సార్?
So మీరు fresher or experienced?
నెట్వర్క్ ఆటోమేషన్ ఆర్
Are you a fresher or
సార్?
fresher? First do networking.
ఫ్రెషర్ సార్.
Which branch are you studied?
ఈసీ సార్,
EC.
ఎలక్ట్రానిక్
So
కమ్యూనికేషన్.
you know coding.
బీటెక్.
You know coding.
యా, ఐ నో కోడింగ్ సార్.
You know Python you know, right? Then take in network automation. So thing is network,
Sir.
both are having, see, these are networking guys, both are having huge demand, but automation you will get a more package, you can say. Automation have also lot of opportunities. Okay, if you take automation, you can choose networking side and automation, both multi opportunities you will get. Understand? Because it consists of CCNA, right?
ఓకే సార్.
It consists of CCNA, you can move to core networking as well as automation also. If you're taking core, right, you will only have opportunity to go core side. Understood? Hello?
సార్ సార్ 2024 పాస్ అవుట్ అయినా సార్, 1 year గ్యాప్ ఉంది.
అదే ఇందాకనే చెప్పాను బ్రదర్.
సో ఇప్పుడు
ఒక నిమిషం. 2003 పాస్ అవుట్ వాళ్ళు కూడా ఇక్కడ జాయిన్ అయ్యి నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు. 2024 ఏంటి, If you see here, right, the placements, if you see, she is
Okay, sir.
2020 passed out, she got a job. He's a 2024, he got a job. ఇక్కడ మొత్తం 2023, 2020, 2021 ఎక్కడి నుంచో ఎప్పుడెప్పుడో see the thing is, career gap doesn't matter, education gap doesn't matter, skill does matter. Understand? Lot of people
Okay,
got a
sir.
job, we haven't updated, now we have to update in website. You can see, right? So once the training is completed, right, within 1 week only, we have a freshers group here. See, this freshers group, we have a all openings. So whatever the openings are there, right, we will post here. You need to apply it for freshers placements. We have a two groups. Recently, yesterday only one guy got a job in Vital Global. May 28th. May 28th is just 2 days back, right? Yes or no? Yeah, he got a job.
Yes,
And
sir.
experience. We have a experience group. In experience group also, we have a lot of engineers. We will post all the jobs here. Okay, apply. So my team will. We have a placements officer. They will post all the jobs here. You can apply it for technical and non-technical. We have two groups. One is experienced candidates. One is freshers. Okay. After 1 week of the class, right, we will try to allow you to join these groups. And another one is troubleshooting group. This is a troubleshooting group. You can see more than 400 engineer members. How many members are here? 483. 483 network engineers you will see. So far, all the people which I taught, right? Lot of people in not only India, throughout the world. So whatever the issues comes, right, real time issues, we will discuss here. Here, see, everything we will discuss here. Okay, yeah. So we will allow you to join these groups once you join the course. Okay, yeah. So for you, if you know Python, right, I'm telling you, whoever know Python, they can enroll network automation. Yeah,
Yeah, hi sir.
yeah. Hi.
Uh, uh, yeah, myself Tejapon.
Okay. Hi.
అది ఎంసీఏ
Teja.
2019లో అయిపోయింది సార్.
Okay.
తర్వాత 2023లో ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ డెవలపర్గా వర్క్ చేశాను.
ఓకే. ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ డెవలపర్‌గా. సో ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ వర్క్ చేశారు?
1 ఇయరే సార్. లే ఆఫ్ వల్ల జాబ్ పోయింది.
ఓకే. మీకు అది ఉందా నీట్‌గా పే స్లిప్స్ అన్ని కరెక్ట్‌గా ఉన్నాయా?
ఉన్నాయి సార్. అంటే 12 మంత్స్ లేవు, 11 మంత్సే ఉంటాయి సార్.
నో ప్రాబ్లమ్. 11 మంత్సే మీకు పర్ఫెక్ట్‌గా
పే స్లిప్
రిలీవింగ్ లెటర్ అని
కూడా ఉంది.
ఫార్మ్
అన్నీ
16
ఉన్నాయి.
అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఆ 11 మంత్స్ ఎక్స్‌పీరియన్స్‌ని నెట్వర్కింగ్ ఎక్స్‌పీరియన్స్‌గా పెడతా. ఓకేనా? అంటే ఎట్లా?
ప్యాకేజీ లెస్ సార్, అది 1.6 ఉంది.
నో ప్రాబ్లమ్. 1.6 పెట్టండి. ఇప్పుడు ఫ్రెషరా మీరు?
ఫ్రెషర్ అంటే అదే, అంటే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెట్టి వెళ్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను సార్.
నో. ఐ వోంట్ ఎంకరేజ్ దట్. ఎవరైతే ఫేక్
Okay.
సర్టిఫికేట్లు పెట్టి వెళ్ళాలనుకుంటున్నారో అస్సలు ఎంకరేజ్ చేయను. ఎన్నో వీడియోలు చేశా. ఎంతో మంది బ్యాక్ డోర్ ద్వారా వెళ్తున్నారు, ఫేక్ సర్టిఫికేట్ పెట్టి వెళ్తున్నారు, ప్రాక్సీ ద్వారా వెళ్తారు. ఫేక్ సర్టిఫికేట్ పెట్టడానికి 20,000, 25,000 ఖర్చు పెడతారు. 2 నెలల్లో ఇంటికి తిరిగి వచ్చేస్తారు. డబ్బులు వేస్ట్. ఆ 25,000 పెట్టి సర్టిఫికేషన్ చేస్తే వాడే రెడ్ కార్పెట్ వేసి ఇచ్చి మంచి ప్యాకేజ్ ఇస్తాడు. నువ్వేం చేయాలి? నువ్వు చేయాల్సింది ఏంటి? మంచిగా ఇంటర్న్షిప్ తీసుకో. ఆ 5,000తో ఓకే, సారీ మ్యాన్, సారీ మొహమ్మద్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఈస్ హీ వాంట్ టు గో విత్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ సర్టిఫికేట్స్. ఐఎమ్ కంప్లీట్లీ డినై దాట్. I don't encourage any fake things. Okay, so learn internship, which includes CCNA, Juniper, and Palo Alto. Juniper, you will get a certificate. If you do well, I'll refer to the clients. So you will get minimum 3 to 3.5 package as a fresher. Just earn it. Okay. So once you survive for 1 year, then go for another company. You will get your package will be doubled. Okay. Always telling you, do not go with the fake certificates, because within 2 months you'll get back to home. Okay, that will not work. Nowadays the BGC is very strict. Okay, they are asking your credit score also. Who will ask credit score? People are asking. Companies are asking your credit score. Okay, they are checking each and everything. Okay, so please, if anyone is trying to give a offer like, hey, go with fake certificates, nothing will happen. No, don't believe that. Always go in a right path. Okay, genuine path. Be genuine, be honest. Everything will come to you. I'm telling you. Okay, so however you have a non-technical experience, right, learn here technical, learn with real-time projects, and you can tell to your, you can perform an interview. You worked in this kind of environment because you're loving on sorry, what is that, you're working on live devices, right? You're a fresher now, you're not doing anything. Come to Hyderabad, I will teach you with real-time projects, everything. That 11 months also I will give you small project with client and all. No one will inquiry. They will only inquiry about whether you are an employee of that organization or not, which team you work, which technology you work. That will be evaluated in interview. During interview they will tell you. Okay, so they will ask you the questions, scenario based questions. They will ask you whether you really worked or not. I am giving the live project right at my office. So yeah, you can sustain.
సార్
Okay, yeah.
సార్ ఫిఫ్టీ
So
పర్సెంటేజ్ డిస్కౌంట్ అని చెప్పేసి అన్నారు సార్, అందులో
one
చూపించట్లేదు సార్ ఫీ
one
స్ట్రక్చర్ లో.
one second అండి. తేజ అయిపోయినాక మీ దగ్గరకు వస్తా. యా తేజ, ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్?
ఇప్పుడు నేను ఓన్లీ CCNA కోర్స్ తీసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది.
So I'm telling you, if you need good package, skill should be there. Skill does matter here. Yes or no? I just gave an example. The chef, if you are hiring a chef only who can cook idli, you are hiring, you can hire idli person and those are different person. See, that's what I'm saying. Skill does matter. I'm telling you to enroll internship so that multi vendor knowledge you have. Since you have 11 months of experience, I will give you the project also. You can convert that into. So they will ask you why you have a gap. You can tell them I'm preparing for a government exam. People who are having career gap, right, tell you are preparing for government exams. Contact a lawyer. Just give a 400 rupees to the lawyer. He will give you affidavit. You are preparing for government exams. That's it. Okay, yeah. If companies ask, you can give that affidavit. That's it. Okay, Ishwar, you are asking something.
సార్ ఫీ స్ట్రక్చర్ లో 50% డిస్కౌంట్ అని చెప్పేసి అన్నారు. మన బ్యాగ్ లోకి వెళ్ళి చూసేసరికి ఫీ
50,
స్ట్రక్చర్
see,
ఫుల్ అమౌంట్ చూపిస్తుంది సార్.
50% discount is only for fee reimbursement candidates. Understand? If you go home right,
ఓకే
50% is discount for. See, I'm a fee reimbursement candidate. No institute, no one is giving that thing, but I'm giving because I want to encourage the people who are, having economical backward, right? I also came from nothing, so I want to help the people. So here, 50% discount for fee reimbursement candidates. It means they should submit income certificate to my people. Your income should be below 2 lakh rupees. Latest income certificate. This is eligible only for 2024 and 2025 passed out candidates only. Okay, lot of people are trying to submit fake income certificates. So genuine people are affected. We are now prepare very strict rules. Only 2024 2025 passed out candidates, degree or btech or anything, mca, pg, anything, 2024 2025 passed out candidates, if they submit income certificate recent one, just apply it now. 2 days you will, within 2 days you will get it. So they will get 50% discount on only CCNA only on CCNA. That too internship it is 40%. Okay, so only on CCNA it is 50%. For other courses also it will be 40%. Suppose suppose CCNA internship is there. So if you go here product list, right, generally, so the internship cost for normal people is 27,000. Okay, so if there is any discount, contact my managers. I don't know about discount stuff. So 27,000 is the cost with 3 courses, communication skills and all. And but fee reimbursement candidates, they will get a discount on CCNA. CCNA cost is 10,000, right? 5,000 they will get 50%. It means if you remove 5,000 here, 27,000, right? 23,000. And also 40% discount on this JNCIA, PCNSE also. So almost they will get 18 to 19,000. Almost 9,000 to 8,000 rupees they will get a discount. Who? The fee reimbursement candidates. Just an example I'm telling. Okay. Yeah.
సార్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అయిన తర్వాత ఒకవేళ తీసుకొని మాది కంప్లీట్ అయింది అనుకోండి సార్, కంప్లీట్ ఆటోమేషన్ ఒకవేళ షిఫ్ట్ అవ్వాలనుకున్నా సేమ్ ఫీ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఉంటుంది, ఏమైనా తగ్గుతుంది సార్?
తగ్గుతుందండి. సో ఓన్లీ అక్కడ పైథాన్ వి విల్ టీచ్ ఓన్లీ పైథాన్ అండ్ రియల్ టైమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్. యూ జస్ట్ నీడ్ టు పే 15,000 rupees. That's it. Because the CCNA is already covered here, right? Just you need to pay 15,000 rupees for Python course, Linux course, and real time projects. Okay. Yeah.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్,
That
థ్యాంక్
you
యూ.
can you
Hi,
that you,
bro.
yeah. Hi.
Yeah, myself Maharaj,
Yeah.
and I'm working in Capgemini as a network engineer.
Okay.
Currently, I'm in notice period because I
Okay.
want to learn and explore more on my domain, networking.
Okay.
So I did resign. It is not possible for me to handle both. In weekends, I was studying like protocol stuff
Mm-hmm.
and all, but
Mm-hmm.
it is not possible while in working hours. I
Yeah.
used to handle the 4 boards. So in our organization, like it will be వాట్ ద థింగ్ ఇస్, రిజల్ట్స్ వచ్చాయా, టెస్ట్ లాగ్ పాస్ అయిందా, లాగ్ తీసుకున్నామా అన్నట్టే
Understand.
ఉంటది. టైం
Understand.
టైం అనేది లేదు చదవడానికి. సో ఐ
So,
డిడ్ రిజైన్ అండ్
what is
సర్చింగ్.
okay? What is your working hours now?
Yeah, 9 to it will goes to 2 a.m. and all. So that it
Morning,
is not possible.
you're working from
Yeah,
home or what?
yeah, working from home.
Okay, I will give you best suggestion. That's why a lot of people they are not comfortable with the daytimes. That's why morning 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. is the class. Okay, so
Okay,
a lot
okay.
of people from US also they for them it is night. So morning
Hmm.
7 a.m. to 8 a.m. is the class. Just join that class. After that,
Okay.
after that, whenever you have free time, right, you can
Hmm.
start do labs, and my team will
Okay.
help you. Okay, and one more thing, in case if you miss the class at morning, right, we will provide you a recorded session. Whenever you get a
Okay.
time, just
Hmm.
go to that video immediately. Ask my team. So if you see
Okay.
right here, so in home, these are the network engineers, my team members, or you can ask me also. So technical
Okay.
experts. So Varun Goud, Vinay, and Rajesh Reddy, and one more guy is we recently hired. His name is Sai. Four network engineers are there. Along me and Karthik is also there. Six members are available. Okay, you no need to worry. First of all, during class only, I will clearly explain everything, and until you understand, see that's the reason. If you learn outside, there is only 1 hour class because other institutions should pay hourly basis. So
Yeah.
hourly they will pay them 1 hour or like that. This is not like that. This is our own company. So the class will go beyond 1 hour also, 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes also.
Yeah.
Until you understand, I cannot drop the meeting. Okay, I
And
will.
previously, I had paid for Neso Academy also, but
Okay,
I was not able to clarify my doubts. They were
yes,
not clarifying my doubts, so
that
that
is the difference.
I
Yeah, that is the difference
joined
here.
this demo.
Yeah,
Hmm.
that is the difference here. This is a networking company, not an institute. We are the dedicated persons. See, my team members. If you see right, yesterday, recently, May 21st, there's a badge. You know, I will show you here. 1 second. May 21st. Just after 1 week, I will start giving labs. So my team members, right, my team members, they will contact each and every person to complete the labs, everyone. Okay, so my team will follow up it, whether you're doing labs or not. That's what it is. Here we are taking
Hmm.
care of you. You can see, right, once you join here, my team will take care of it, everything. They will follow up with you whether you're doing labs or not. During class, I will follow up with you whether you understood or not. So yeah, at any time, if you're not getting any response from my end, you can escalate me directly, me or my manager. So company director is here. His name is Vamshi Kumar. You can call him directly. Anything. So far we didn't get even single escalation. Okay, that's why we have a very good reviews. You can check the reviews, Google reviews. Okay, so there are a lot of people who wrote their own. Okay, so you can contact internal people also. We have a group, right, CCNA group. So just ask it, hey, how is it? So this is a new batch, right? See how many members are here? Almost 700 members. From from it's been 9 months. I almost give a training to 700 plus candidates. Okay, other people are not they left already. Generally saying, so you can just post here. How was the training? They will come. You will come to know. Okay, just see in YouTube also things. So it's not an institute like telling the things and ignoring the people. Okay, yeah, lot of people, you can say here, right, in my website there is a one girl. So she also doesn't have time. She's a front end developer. If you see, right, her name is Alakya. You can watch the success stories also. So I think, I'm not sure whether she's here or not. Yeah, so she cracked the job after 2 years of career gap. you know she's a front end developer. She learned here. She did a lab, everything. She took 2 months of time, and she tried multiple companies, and she got it. Okay, she is also a non-technical person. Lot of people are non-technical and they're moving to technical. Career gap. Everything is skill does matter here, and until you get a job, we'll take care of it. That's the thing. That is what I'm assuming, that I'm assuming uh, to deliver my content to you and provide job opportunities. You need to prove in job in interview. That's it. Okay, I don't encourage any proxies. I don't encourage any fake certificate. I don't encourage any wrong things. Okay, yeah. Any
I'm having
questions?
one more doubt, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, I'm staying in Karnool. Do we have a lab access in Karnool also?
Hey, you're staying in Karnool, so you need to wait for
Yeah.
3 months. Okay.
Oh,
Okay, because my headquarters is still under construction. If you see it right,
then it will be not possible to me like
see, you
direct
know,
lab access.
you don't need to bother, right? You will learn everything here. So Saturday, Sunday, you just come to office. At least 2 days you come to office. Just get a real time exposure. If you see once in real time, right? You can see whatever the devices we are using, right? Those images we are using here only. ఓకే అంటే ఆ డివైజెస్ లో ఏదైతే ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ యూస్ చేస్తున్నామో సేమ్ థింగ్ మనం ఇక్కడ యూస్ చేస్తున్నాం సేమ్ ఉంటుంది జస్ట్ విజువలైజేషన్ ఒకటి చేసుకోవడానికి మీరు ఆఫీస్కి వచ్చి ఒక 2 days స్పెండ్ చేసి అన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అండ్ హైదరాబాద్ లో ఉండే ల్యాబ్ యాక్సెస్ రిమోట్ లో ఇవ్వడానికి నేను ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ సమ్ టైమ్ సో
Yeah,
పబ్లిక్ ఐపీ
virtual గా యాక్సెస్ చేయొచ్చు కదా బ్రో.
యా యా చేయొచ్చు చేయొచ్చు యా కరెంట్లీ ఐఎమ్
అండ్
గివింగ్ క్లౌడ్
ఆప్షన్
ల్యాబ్స్
ఏదైనా
see currently I'm giving cloud lab people who doesn't have laptops right we are providing laptops also they must come to office and practice and submit it laptops ఇంటికి ఇవ్వం so we will give laptops also at office only okay I have a cloud lab I have a server see this is a public IP you can start practicing in this EVNG also this is a cloud lab so you can
క్రెడెన్షియల్స్ కూడా పోస్ట్
yeah
చేస్తారు.
credentials కూడా ఇస్తాం so they need to subscribe this see people who are having 8 GB of laptop RAM right no need so I don't encourage to take a cloud lab because if you want to practice anything everything will store in cloud so we will install we will set up your lab at your PC only this GNS3 tools all tools we will install here only okay just turn on the device same device CLI you will see here same thing okay same thing you will see here see this is a device this is a router see same thing you will see here so there's nothing different the only thing is the images you will see like this but in real time right office you will see these are the device so backside these are the devices whatever the operating system we are installing this device right we are using in our GNS3 anyhow you come to office for lot of people are coming now at least for 2 days come to office see these devices what is the connectivity what is the basic thing you need to do on these devices get an exposure then you can get a remote access yeah
Okay. And which course will you suggest, bro? Like I had regression experience and automation on Linux, and we usually work on CLI configurations.
so what is your background I mean you
ECE and
no what
like
I'm
I did
asking is in
mm,
experience in which domain you have an experience auto
networking.
networking only right
Uh,
okay
uh,
and automation also you do
yeah, automation with Linux,
it Linux is
not with
mandatory
Python.
yeah
Not with Python. According to the client requirement, we actually convert those code into Python, but I don't have like depth knowledge in Python. I wanted
okay
to learn that too, along with networking protocols
okay
and
understood
all the stuff.
understood how many years of experience do you have
3.4.
3.4 very good so you know Python
Like basic level, I
basic
know.
so better you
Mm.
take network automation since you have a Python background right so
Mm.
network automation is like manual automation or what are you writing any scripts to do
I worked manually and automation also.
what automation you have done recent project
Like
like
cases
yeah
stabilization, we have RIP cases and all. No, we used to write the script and stabilize and then automate and then git
so
push into the Git repository.
understood perfect so script you are writing right what are the
Mm.
libraries you are using to log in the
We have
devices
CLI configuration. We log in into virtual machines like we use a tool called
no
Putty.
what I'm asking is you're writing a script right what are the things you are defining in that script
Like CLI configuration,
Hmm. Configure some commands you are writing right
configure terminal. If you want to configure VLAN and
okay
then VLAN
yeah
ID
yeah
and then
VLAN ID
VLAN IP.
so to push that config into the devices you should
Mm,
use libraries
mm.
netmico or paramico ansible or napalm what exactly you're using netmico or
No,
paramico
I
napalm no idea right
no, I
okay
don't. No
so
idea.
you're almost there you're almost 60% you have all the idea better you take network automation for
Okay.
experienced candidates a very good boom learn CCNA in
Yeah, that's what, bro. I studied and don't want to lose.
yeah
Like
yeah
there's no more
so
options.
currently I'm working as a network automation engineer from last 2 years in Amazon and here okay so it's boom now so the thing
I
is you
know
will
the
get
value and I don't
yeah
want to leave.
yeah
So
yeah,
that
yeah.
I
So that
registered.
yeah so you can choose network automation first learn CCNA after
Mm,
learning CCNA we'll start new Python branch so these are all our Python contents here if you go down These are the Python contents. We'll teach you Python. Then after Linux, you already know basic Linux, how to install the libraries and all. Basic Linux we will teach here. Then after the projects, I will give you 5 real-time projects like Juno's iOS upgrade, right? You're doing manually. How you can do it with script? Whatever in networking we are doing manually, right? We will automate it like BGP configuration. If you want to do any
Mm.
protocol configuration, how to write a script for that and how to check. So not only pushing the configuration for verification, if any BGP goes down, so how to check it. So everything we will teach here with. So better you take network automation. And this month it's a starting, right? We are launching for the first time. This is the first ever batch. That's why we are announcing 10,000 rupees discount on this. Next month onwards, there
Okay.
is no discount on it. Okay,
Okay.
flat 10K is there. You can check with my team and enroll it accordingly. Okay, yeah.
This is for all students, bro. Like only management. This one.
So this is for all. That
Okay.
internship, that discount is for all. Okay.
Okay.
So even discount, even students also, if they know Python, I recommended them to join. Okay. Yeah. If they know Python, they can choose network automation. People who don't know Python, just ignore it. Learn core networking internship. Yeah. Okay. Which station? Railway station, metro station by Kukatpalli metro station only. Okay. Just a just Google it map now. In Google Maps you can see. You can just uh, get it directions in Google Map. It's a Kukatpalli metro station. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, actually, I'm graduated in 2020 with
Okay.
civil branch,
Okay.
and after that, I worked as a software engineer for 2 years, sir.
Nice. Where you
In,
worked?
in, in 2024, I left the organization, sir.
24. It's okay. Which organization you left?
Newgen Software Technology, sir, which is
That's
located
okay.
in.
You have all payslips and everything perfectly, right?
Yes, yes, sir. I have all the documents, Form
So
16.
you know Python.
Java, I know, sir.
If you know Java, Python also easy, man. Same stuff,
Yes,
right?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
It's easy.
So go for network automation. I will give you network automation project.
When batch is going to start, sir?
So Monday. So all the details is already updated in website. Go to home.
Sir, actually, I have taken the CCNA course for from other institute
Mm-hmm.
before exploring this Tungabhadra networks.
Okay.
I have learned the CCNA things and all.
Okay. Things and
Now,
all means packet level you learn or
yes, sir.
bookish knowledge. Packet level, like how TCP three-way handshake
Yes, sir,
process.
sir. I have learned all those things, sir.
So
OSI
see,
model, TCP/IP model.
no. Listen to my question carefully, brother.
Yes, sir.
So what institutions are doing, right? They are just explaining the theory. So what I'm asking here is, do you know packet level? Do you know what is IP header? What are the fields inside that? Do you know TCP header? What is the fields inside that?
Yes, sir. I know, sir.
And what is the three-way handshake process? Do you know that?
Yes, sir. I know. SYN
So
acknowledgement and
yeah,
SYN upgrade.
control bits, all control bits, and congestion control, flow control, error control, and when urgent bit set. These are only for basics. After this, OSPF. In OSPF, what is the adjacency process? How many OSPF packets, LSA packets, and then what is the fields inside the LSA, like link state ID, advertisement router, how it will choose. You know all these things.
Yes, sir. Somewhat I know, sir.
So that is what just how I am teaching. Just check in YouTube. Okay, compare it because I am teaching this is at CCIE level. For only OSPF protocol, I will teach you for 4 days. OSPF adjacency process, packets, states, areas, stubby area, not so stubby area, each and everything. And BGP is not part of CCNA, but I am teaching it. You know BGP? What is the BGP states? What is the BGP messages? What is EBGP, IBGP? What is multi-hop? There are a lot of things. What is BGP synchronization rule? How you are aware the loops? BGP
Yes, yes,
path
sir. There are a
manipulation.
lot of things are there.
There are a lot of things. Okay, everything will cover in CCNA at packet level. Okay,
Okay.
so if you learn automation, I will cover all the concepts in CCNA. Then Python we will teach you like concepts, and then
Sir,
Linux we will.
is it possible like first I want to take the course CCNA, I want to
Mm.
join the organization, then after I want to learn network automation. Is it okay, sir?
Yeah, everything is possible, brother. It's up to you. But what I'm telling is network automation internship consists of these many courses. If you take at a time, right, there will be a discount. If you want to take individually, you can take it also. It's up to you. Yeah.
Recorded session will be lifetime access, right, sir?
Yes. Immediately once the class is completed, right? Within half an hour to 1 hour, we will provide you the recorded sessions in the
Okay.
WhatsApp groups. Yeah. Each and every batch we will give you a playlist also. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Anyone having any questions?
హాయ్ myself సూర్య.
Hey Surya, hi.
నేను 2014లో నాది ఎంబీఏ అయిందండి. తర్వాత నేను దుబాయ్ వెళ్ళిపోయాను. దుబాయ్లో అకౌంటెంట్గా చేశాను. లాస్ట్ 2 years బ్యాక్ వచ్చేసాను. టూ
Okay.
ఇయర్స్ బ్యాక్ నుంచి మామూలుగా ఇంటి దగ్గరే ఉంటున్నా. అంటే
Okay.
మ్యారేజ్ అయ్యింది.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు ప్రెసెంట్ ఏది బెస్ట్ అంటారు నాకు? అంటే నాన్ ఐటీ నేను ఫుల్గా ఇప్పుడు
సో
ఐటీకి షిఫ్ట్ అవుతున్నాను.
ఓకే, కోర్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ తీసుకోండి, విల్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. సో మీరు ఇంతకుముందు నాన్ ఐటీలో వర్క్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమైనా పే స్లిప్స్ అవన్నీ ఉన్నాయా? ఏమైనా ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ ఉంది?
అవి ఉన్నాయండి.
ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ ఉంది?
అవి 6 years ఉన్నాయి.
ఎన్ని కంపెనీస్లో వర్క్ చేశారు?
3 కంపెనీస్లో చేశానండి.
సో ఆ 3 కంపెనీస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్, ఆ రియల్ టైమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అన్ని ఇవ్వాలి కాబట్టి మీరు ఇంటర్న్షిప్ తీసుకోండి, తర్వాత రియల్ టైమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ కూడా తీసుకోండి. సో ఎవరైతే రియల్ టైమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ తీసుకుంటారో నాన్ ఐటీ వాళ్ళతో నేను 1-to-1 సిట్ చేసి కూర్చొని వాళ్ళకి
ఓకే.
రోల్స్ అండ్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీస్ నీట్గా డిజైన్ చేసి ఇస్తాను, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయించి మొత్తం. ఓకే. యా.
ఓకే.
యా.
Hello. Yes, sir. Hello.
ఎస్ ప్లీజ్.
Sir, after enrolling the course registration 500, then you want to pay full amount at that time only, or you can pay
You can,
split the
yeah,
amount of
it's, you can
in the
contact for any financial, right? I'm the technical head here.
yes, sir.
Okay. For financially, if you want to discuss anything, please contact managing director Vamshi. He's a managing director of this
Okay,
company,
sir.
CFO of this company, COO, CFO, everything is Vamshi. Contact him, he will give a clarification. Okay. So when the batch is start, you will come to know here. See, the new CCNA will start from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Palo Alto new batch will start from June 16. JNCIA will start from June 10th. Python will start from June 2nd. Okay. So this is the things. Okay. So one by one we will allow it. Each and
Okay, sir.
every month we will run the batches and we'll allow it. So if you want to register it, you must fill the registration form here, and then my team will contact you based on your registration. Okay, or else you can contact my team. So who to whom you need to contact? These are the technical representatives, Chaitanya and Varshini. First we call them, they will give you clarification to you. Okay. And then if you have any financial stuff, they will tell you whether you need to direct to manager or not. They will give you explanation to you. Okay. Yeah.
Sir,
And
directly can I go Python for network automation course, sir?
if you know CCNA very well, then you can go for network automation projects.
Do I get the placement opportunity, right, sir, in that also?
Yes, placement opportunity in the sense, if the clients are asking, we'll send you the resume to the clients, and we will send you that to the clients. Okay, you need to prove. We'll just provide the opportunities, 200%.
Okay, sir.
The job you need to get it through it. No problem, because the training will be at a high standards now. So you will be up to mark. Yeah,
Okay, sir. Thank you,
yeah,
sir.
yeah. No problem. Anyone having any questions still? Okay. So then that's all for today. Thank you so much. I'm stopping the recording now. Thank you.